Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another live stream. So, I'm watching XRP, alright? Let's put it like that. I wanted to start live streaming about 30 minutes ago, but I just woke up, wanted to eat something real quick, and that is why I am a little bit later than I anticipated. But look at that, guys. Look at that. This is the freaking minute chart. Look at what it's been doing all the way since 7 in the freaking morning. And if you know, no, even earlier, 5:30. So if you guys know, I went to bed at about 6:05, something like that, sort of like right around this area here. And the price all of a sudden, you can see, just started to go completely crazy. Now, fortunately, I'll tell you guys in a second what is fortunate. Let me quickly share this over on Twitter. And there we go. Live right now. And then on Discord, let me quickly see it too. I'm just quickly sharing the stream, guys, if you're wondering. It's still pretty early for most people. I don't think the Americans are really up to much. Alright, I'm just quickly sharing it over on Discord, as I just said. There we go. Holy smokes, though, guys. What is this, huh? You guys been... Oh, my days. And, yeah, I'll just talk about what exactly it is in, Wow. Oh, sorry, I'm a little bit excited, man. I'm just quickly watching everything unfold here. I was quickly checking out the Discord. Where you guys are watching from? Let me know in the comments right now. Where you guys are watching from. We got 40 viewers right now. It's going to go up pretty quickly, I think. So, guys, what a freaking night, huh? What a freaking night. What a good freaking morning. And yeah, Morgan, I hope I got enough sleep. We got a couple of hours. You got to pump it up, everybody. Look at that. Look, congratulations to everybody. Freaking hodlers. Wow, man. Come on, look at... Oh, my days, boys. Yes, there we go. It's... I did not have a good night. No, I did not. Once more, I went to sleep like right around this area here, like 6:15. Nah, I think it's like 6:05 when I put my phone away, like this area here. So all of a sudden, throughout the night, this is what we saw. It's ridiculous. Plus 17%. Exactly in my sleep part. Like, so I woke up at about maybe like at the peak. Nah, a little bit later. I think I woke up like right around here. I don't know which one of the two. I guess like right around here is when I woke up. We're just going through, guys. We're just pillaging through like nothing before. Look at that. We just hit... On some exchanges, we actually hit $1.70. I guess on Binance, we did not. Let's see. On Bitstamp, I believe we did. Yeah. Look at this one. Oh, it goes so beautifully. Oh, it goes so beautifully. Our prediction of yesterday. Oh, sorry. I get really happy when I see this. Look at that. This is juicy. Our prediction from yesterday. Look at that. You don't even want to know. How many people in the comments said, "Oh, you're so stupid." All right, yeah, you think so? We said yesterday in the video, it's not too late to buy. Look at that, guys. Oh, I get happy from that. I get happy seeing that. Everybody from Patreon, good job to you, all right? Freaking thumbs up. Damn. So you might not be understanding exactly what we drew here or what happened. Well, what we said was, if the lawsuit turns out to be a nice thing, or basically something which people are thinking is okay, at least not negative, it will most likely pump to about $1.70 the next day, or at least it would just pump to 170. I didn't really say any time frame. So yeah, we got the lawsuit out. I told you guys buy it 10% down. We bought most likely twice. So this is your last buy at about $1.34. I'm gonna put that up on Patreon in a second as well. If the people didn't buy at $1.34, I'm gonna slap you in the face. Run Sports not freaking financial advice. It is my strategy, which you might copy, and you might make losses, might make wins. I do not know. It's my strategy. You might do with it as you please. I'm not saying you should use it, but I am saying if you didn't do it this time, you should slap yourself in the face, because this went nuts. This went really nuts right now. Are you guys all watching XRP too, guys? Oh, yeah. If only I could watch all night. But we're breaking. We're still going on. We're at 1.6. You got to pump it up. Got to know, pump it up. We're still pumping it up, boys. We're still going strong. $1.69.5. We're still breaking out right as we speak, everybody. We're still going. We're still freaking going. Maybe I needed somebody to sing the song for me. It's not early, but I'm not awake enough. Oh, but you still gotta pump it up. Look at that, guys. Play the pump song. I saw there's a new pump song, but I don't know. Are you guys playing the pump song right now? Maybe you should. You should. No, never mind. You should. Pump it up. Let me see if there's anything I can play. I'm seeing the Pump It Up song, but I don't know if I can play it in terms of copyright. Let me see. No, it's still copyrighted, so I can't do that. But damn! Look at that, guys. Where do you think we're going to go? You guys have Fibonacci 170? I mean, let's actually wait a little bit for this move to finish on. Our Fibonacci level was at about 171, so we're mostly going to bounce like right around that area. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. You got to know, pump it up. K Doom said, you'll go to jail if you play that thing. Yeah, you've been up since 2:30 a.m. Holy smokes. Maybe I should have put an alert for myself, huh? But man, I couldn't anymore. We've been up for so freaking long, streaming all the time, so it was going to be hard. Yeah, on Twitter, by the way, I also explicitly explained, if you guys have watched the live streams throughout the week, you will know the predictions. So a little bit earlier, we said $1.20 is going to happen. Boom. I don't know how long it took. Didn't take freaking long before we got there. To about $1.20-ish. Let's see here. I think, it was already earlier than that. Where was it now? I think it was like, right around this area, I think. We were talking about $1.20 XRP. We hit that. I was really, or at least maybe, you see, we hit like $1.18 or so. A little bit after we just skyrocketed past. Our new prediction was $1.50 like 2 days later or 3 days later, like maybe in this area once we hit 120. So we hit 150. It was a really good day. And then a little bit later, once more you guys asked me here, what do you think is going to happen? I said we'll bounce again, which exactly happened once more. And we'll see 170. Well, right now, boom, 169.5. Good enough for me, boys. Nomadic is back. Lemonhead is back. Oi, oi. Everybody's back, man. Come on. Vivek said, Dustin, just texted my boss. I would need a day, or I would need off. He said, we can watch Ripple skyrocket together with a beer. If you said XRP, I would have given you a thumbs up. You can't see Ripple skyrocket, brother. But yeah, you're right, man. This should be watched and enjoyed. This should be looked at with freaking joy. You should be happy. My ledger is lagging. That's a very big problem for you, my big brother. 175 and then 2. I'm actually thinking we might just bounce here and fall back down because a lot of people are taking this Fibonacci, right? Let's quickly go back a little bit to a daily frame. If you're wondering why I've drawn that in, that is the big move from 2017, the big boy move, all the way down to the low of 2020, this March low. This is the move. And these are really significant points, and I'm assuming that most people take these at face value. They don't really attach too many strings to them. It's just like, hey, this is an important level. A lot of people might sell, even though here you see it's not too much pressure. It's just like one little area. But the 0.5 Fibonacci is there, and I think a lot of people will try to trade that and actually short XRP again or something along those lines. I think that's going to happen. Once more, it's not like we should sell at that point. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying a lot of people might hold that dearly. And that is also why exactly now a lot of people are watching it and just maybe hoping to. Oh, but look at this, guys. This is an hourly chart. Whoo! Everybody, it's freaking go time. It's freaking go time. Tom Wilson says, let's freaking go. Hey, who's made money right now with XRP? Who's made money right now with XRP? Put it down below in the chat box. Wait, don't say how much money you made, by the way. That's not smart. But let me know. Are you guys doing good? Are you guys doing good? I'm doing better than I should. I'm doing way better than I should. Really appreciate you all coming in, by the way. It's really crazy. 500 people watching so early in the day. Really amazing to hear. You guys are all doing good? That is what I want to hear, guys. That is exactly what I want to hear. Somebody says he's 500% up. That is crazy, guys. Oh, woo. That is crazy. Damn, 500% gains. You guys are all crazy. Oh, and make sure you press the freaking like button, guys. This is the only day you should. Because we're pumping like a motherfreaker. And that's what these are for, the XRP stream. So let's go. Make sure you press that like button. We've been waiting on this for a little while, guys. $1 freaking 70. I can almost not believe it. Even though we thought it would happen, I can almost not believe that it really did happen in just a couple of hours. But I'm just quickly saying, if anybody's shorting right now, We were also talking about it in the Discord yesterday. You are a scary guy if you're shorting it right now. That would be really crazy. That would be really scary. Do you even sleep? We slept from 6 to 12-ish. So we slept a good 6 hours. But yeah, man. Once more, if I just, I slept like right here. It's not good. It was just before the big pump. I even checked my phone. I think it's 6:30. But the price wasn't pumping either. I did expect it all, though. Once more, I said it on Patreon. We've talked about it. And, I mean, in the stream, we actually did say it as well. So it's not like we didn't expect it, but it's different, right? Because if we were watching live, we could have maybe gotten in long. And right now, we are expecting some resistance at this mark. But we already said it. This whole area here between about 174 and about 168. Or 172? No, let's see. 172 and 168. That is the area, so to speak, because that's, again, where people are going to be kind of hovering around this Fibonacci level. So we're going to say, if it breaches through with some confirmation on a higher time frame, maybe like a 1 hour, 4 hour, that would be juicy. Right now, though, everything is just looking good in the sense that the setup is looking okay, but the real moment still has to happen because we still have to hit it and then come back down. Oh, guys, oh my days, oh my days. A correction, by the way, as of this point would actually look, let's quickly see. Correction normally goes about 30% in bigger areas like this. Let's quickly see. So a correction right now from the top would be about to right around here. That would be about $1.17 if we got a huge correction right now. Or if we're going to take it to the previous resistance level, basically this one right here, it will be just a little bit more. It will be let's see quickly. It will be about a 34%. So this is definitely possible. Guys, do not think I am saying it's going to happen. I'm just preparing everybody for a move into every single direction. So if this happens, do not worry because this is normal. In previous runs, let's go back to that. Let me show you guys. In previous runs, we often see about 30 to 35% corrections as well. Let's go back to 2017 here. Okay. So, yeah, one thing you can do is go into the bullish part of things and go actually look what it went down on the way. Let's see. Here went about 31%. You can see this is from the top to the low. Here went about, let's see, most likely a little bit less, but let's 47%. Okay, that's a really big move though. I mean, that's within a day. Here, this is about 33%. Let's see, this is the move basically. This is all within 1 day. This is the move, the bigger move, because this is what it would count as the low, not this one, this wick. However, you might also say it's been 46, but then again, it's still in the biggest bull run, right? You guys can still see this is to get a lot of people out. This is below the huge green candle here, which by the way has no freaking shadow, it just went crazy. This is most likely to stop all these people out, make them scared. But again, as you can see, this is just the start of the freaking monstrous run. Let's see what else we got here. So again, tip was about here. Uh-oh. And the correction was about 34%, 35. You guys are seeing what I'm trying to say here? A 30 to 35% correction is not that crazy, everybody. Just, again, once more. Here we got another 35. I think my case is closed, huh? I think the case is closed. So, once more, I am not saying this is going to happen. I'm just saying be prepared for a correction at one point or another in this bullish movement. And we're going to snatch it with every single opportunity we can. Because this is about to go crazy, and I want to get as much XRP as I can. But again, that's just me, man. I just want to have the XRP, not going to let anything go. And El Hoko says, you got to pump it up. Thank you for the $2, man. You got to pump it motherfricking up. Yes, there we go, guys. There we freaking, whoo, I'm so excited. So, once more, about 30% would look like this-ish, right? Let me actually go to a different chart. Let's go to this one. It's empty. Yeah, so our area is like right around here. Let's put this back in. A correction could be looking somewhere like this. So between 30 to 35% is what we've seen very often. And I would kind of say maybe like somewhere around here to retest this resistance area. So like basically right back in here. As well, just come back in, retest. That could be a correction like that. And that is what, if that would happen, I would be so happy. Once more, guys, I find $1.70 to be expensive for XRP, but it's expensive relatively. I think you all know what I'm saying with that, right? I always keep saying, if the price goes up like crazy, it means it's really expensive to where it was a couple of days ago, but it's still not expensive for where it's about to go. Oh, guys, let me quickly look something up. Ooh, because this is juicy. I like this. I like this very much. I made a video. It's called Most Important Ripple XRP, whatever, something like that. Let's see here. It's really annoying to listen to my own voice. Let me not do that. Oh my god, that's awful. Alright, but look at this one. This is the video. I said, must watch, should you still buy XP right now? Here, look at the price. What is it? Let's quickly see what the price was at in this video. The price was most likely about $1.40, something like that. Let's quickly see. $1.36, I'm just saying here, with per XRP. I'm not sure if it's a little bit higher or lower. It's a little bit annoying to see, but let's say about $1.36 per XRP. And what we said in that video is a really important lesson to teach everybody. It is the lesson that, once more, the price right now might be looking expensive, quote unquote, but that's for where it was a little bit ago. It's not for where it's about to go, guys. So this, once more, might look expensive for where it was. It's not for where it's about to go, because a couple dollars, $2 easily. But that's my thoughts. Somebody says, oh, yo, Dusty, when XP is $2, can you do an item in Dutch? Like to hear how that sounds, haha. That's pretty funny. Look at that, all the homies in there. Are these scammers again going on? There's a ton of. Hey, you guys seen the Dusty BC comment police in action? Big thumbs up to them, huh? There we go. He's trying to warn everybody for all these scammers, because there's a freaking ton of them right now. XP is pumping up, so yes, there's a ton of these scams going around. It's completely crazy. But this aged really well, and I like it. I feel so freaking good. Oh! And I know it's just the start. Don't get me wrong. I know this is just the start, but I'm so happy that it's still happening the way that we expected it to. And I'm not saying it's going to necessarily correct. I'm just saying be prepared for something like that, and then you know what to do, right? You know where we're about to head. You know what the next picture is. Once more, you know the next target. We're going to zoot past $2 like it's nothing, I think. I don't think we're going to really hold up too much here. This is our next point of interest, $2.10, something like that. Dust, where are you going to Dubai? I'm thinking it's going to be a couple of weeks from now. I'm not sure. But it's going to be for a very long time, right? So I'm going to have to plan it properly. But I'm going there, yes. The sheeple are asking questions. The tide is turning. Let me quickly see what people... I have also watched some videos today. Let me quickly show you guys as well. I've been watching a couple of videos. People saying, don't buy XRP. You know what? We're going to quickly tick on a couple together. Don't... Because this is juice. Don't buy XRP. Let's see who said that. Don't buy XRP. Okay, this is funny. Let's go for it. Let's see. All right, this is interesting. I like this. Oh, I like this. Lark Davis, 13 hours ago, don't buy XRP. That aged well. That aged well. That aged really well. Okay, he just said, I'm buying XRP. Don't buy. I think actually the majority of these people are just, oh wait, this is again another one. XRP Vibe won't make you rich. 11 months ago. Let's see quickly. When was that video posted exactly? Let's see. Let's see quickly. This video was posted the 3rd of May, 2020. And there's 4,000. Okay, let's quickly see. Because that is juice as well. The 4th of, what did it say? The 3rd of May, 2020. I like that. That's really funny. Let's see, the 3rd of May or something like that. That's right around here at XRP. That is about 22 cents per XRP. Yep, I mean, you would have only gotten like, I don't know, 8 times gains in that period, huh? Yeah, but no, definitely XRP is not it, huh? Oh, this is so fun to see, guys. In hindsight, of course, but it's still funny. I like it. I like it very much. This is what, this is what I like. I don't know. It's just really funny to see people saying, oh, you're so dumb. Why is your channel about XRP? Change it to different coins. XRP is dead. XRP, I'm going to buy back at 30 cents. XRP this, XRP that. Okay. You do you. We'll see. And there we go. You got to pump it up. I'm waiting for a huge green candle to just hopefully strike past all our worries. But we're not seeing it just quite yet. Once more, that is not a confirmation. That is just a start. Because the confirmation would be a higher time frame. You got to pump it up. Got to know, pump it up. Hey, King Solomon is also saying something here. He says, oh, that's about the video we just pressed. Please go to this link and dislike. This is the same guy that's telling you Ether is going to 10K this cycle, so buy now. Plus, his voice makes me generally want to vomit. Okay, I will definitely not say you should. That's not smart. But it's what is the ratio looking like, guys? Oh my days, what is this? I'm gonna quickly press it again. Let's quickly see what the ratio is looking like. Once more, I'm definitely not saying you should dislike. Don't do that type of stuff. Unless you really watch the video and you think his opinion is not good, maybe. But don't just press dislike because somebody told you. Let's quickly see. Oh, this is not doing good. He's not liking this, right? Joseph coming back in with the freaking big boy stacks. Look at that. Joseph is back. Holy smokes. Joseph is coming back in. That is crazy. Let's pump it up. And we pump it above 170. We have just... You got to pump it up. You got to know. Let's sing it together, boys. Got to pump it up. You got to know. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Ooh, yeah, we're still going, everybody. Look at that. Look at that. We're still freaking going. Woo! All right, let's go, boys. 170 in the pocket. I got some tea here. I should have maybe cracked open a couple, but it's freaking early in the day. For iced tea, I mean, of course. Look at that, boys. We making a big green candle like I just said. Let's freaking go, everybody. Let's freaking go. We hit it. We hit our Fibonacci. Okay, yeah. Let's cross it. There we go, boys. Look at that huge green candle. There we go. You got to pump it up. Got to know, pump it up. Once more, Joseph. Big shout out to Joseph ZLQZAA. Very big shout out to you, brother. Once more, you didn't have to do that. So I'm very grateful. I don't know why you keep coming up with that. But this man, Joseph, is a big guy. Big fish. There we go. You got to funk it. Oh, I don't. Let's not say that. You got to pump it up. Let's say it like that. I should maybe be careful with my vocabulary a little bit. I shouldn't lose my mind completely. We still have so much room to grow, guys. Hey, you got to pump it up. You got to know, pump it up. Hey, got to pump it up. Let's watch this, guys. $1.71 per freaking XRP. Let's go. Let's go. El Hoco coming back in with the $2. Let's go, fam. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You got to pump it up. Got to know, pump it up. Okay, so somebody's asking what's the top of the Fibonacci. The top, of course, is just the previous all-time high. We can put some extension levels on this, but this $3.30-ish is just the high that we saw back in 2017-18. That is for right now, but that's just an intermediary target, as you guys know. You got to pump it up. Got to know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Got to. What if all of a sudden this gets copyright strike because they think I'm mimicking the song too much? Because we singing it too much, boys. Oh, look at that. We've just crossed it as well, huh? Oh, we're falling back down, but it's not a problem. We have freaking hit 172. That is crazy. Ian says, you're on the 1 minute chart. Of course it's moving. We were really waiting for it to just go past this. I mean, of course it's going to move somewhere, but if it's going to move like this, it's not really that interesting. But going past a certain level, which we were waiting for, that is fun to watch, and I like that. So I'm not going to go and sing the song every time it goes up like this little tiny whittle. It's like now we finally crossed our area, and I'm happy with that. So yeah, we can kind of sing the Pump It Up song. Yes, we can. We can. Yeah, Nomadic. I'm not gonna say that, but I see you, Nomadic. I see you. XP all the way. Yes. Where you guys are watching from? For me right now, it is about 1:40 p.m. What are you crazy guys doing right now? Who's watching like 5 a.m. No, I don't think can it be? Yeah, it can't be 5 a.m. Who's like watching at some crazy ass time right now? Petty Peter coming in with the love to energy, mate. Love you, man. For the 5 Australian. Nice profile picture. What is that? Look at that, boys. We are all happy right now. Woo! Watching the UK. Okay, let me see. Nomadic, what time are you watching from right now? 5:39 a.m. Colorado. You're crazy. You're a really crazy guy. You're crazy. Canada, 5:39 a.m. by Miguel. And Hef, you guys are really, you guys are crazy right now, man. You guys are watching at 5 a.m.? What are you doing? Go sleep. But you can't sleep, obviously, at a time like this, huh? I couldn't, at least. If I saw this happening at 6 a.m. last night, I would have just streamed as well. I would not have slept. I could not have done it. Because this is nuts. People, we have waited on this for so ridiculously long. So, yeah, you can't tell me that this is not exciting to watch. I can't take my eyes off. This is... oh, freaking hell, guys. What is this? Pump watch, pump watch. Holy smokes, everybody. Freaking $1.70 just like that. It is crazy. It is crazy. And all love to everybody watching, everybody supporting the channel. All love to every single one of you crazy guys, especially those watching at 5 a.m. You guys are all nuts. California Nurse 440. Okay, you're even crazier, but I guess maybe you have to go work. Been up since 4 a.m. Oh, no, guys. You guys are Australia. Zone Out 66 says, hey, Dusty, give Australia a shout out. Yeah, you guys are, but I guess you guys are maybe watching at like 12 a.m.-ish, right? 11:40 p.m., something like that. Damn. It's also crazy. Got to pump it up. Oh, and we don't have a target right now because we're assuming that we're going to really come back down a little bit from this 170 area. But you never know because XRP moves in really strange ways. Let's quickly take a look at volume here on a bigger time frame. So volume right here, it's actually, yeah, it's zooting, but the selling pressure has also been zooting. You can see it here. The volume right now is still yet to pick up. Let's quickly see it on a daily perspective. I guess that's going to be, ooh, okay, no, so this day was really high, the 4th. Right now, we're not even doing that great in daily volume, to be honest. It's not that spectacular. Maybe it's going to be coming up, though, because we're only a couple hours throughout the day right now. We're already kind of halfway there. So maybe. We're still going to pump it up. Oh, guys, look at that. That is juicy. Whoever is looking at this saying, no, this is looking not so good, Dusty BC. I don't like this chart. Yeah, your opinion has been disregarded right now. Because it's off the freaking tables. Everything's looking good, guys. Everything is looking juicy. Once more, if we see a correction, it is all part of the plan. It's not a bad thing. We're good. At least I'm going to buy in, be happy, because we're in a bull freaking run, all right? So, so let's see. Yahoo says, how many shorts have been liquidated today? I don't know if there's an easy metric to actually watch that, to be honest. I don't know if there's an easy way to see it. The chart is looking juicy. Like Lakers says it, chart is looking juicy, everybody. And a lot of people saying you're awesome. You guys are awesome, man. For watching, there's almost 2,000 people watching. I can't believe this, all right? The support is so crazy. The people in the XP community are so great. Just quickly saying that. Big shout out to every single one watching. All right, you guys are all amazing. I feel so privileged to be able to talk to you all. It's crazy. Make sure you press the like button, though, if you are enjoying these streams or the daily crypto content. Yeah, and Tej says, where are the trolls? I saw a couple. Let me quickly see. There's one guy here in my video just now saying it's never going to 170. When I made the last video, I'm okay. It's now gone in the comments because I get a lot of comments now today. Oh yeah, there's a ton of people saying this is not going to happen. XRP is going down. XRP is shit. Yeah, we get it all the time. It's all okay though. I mean, we just accept it as face value, and we know their opinion. Yeah, it's something, but it ain't mattering too much. Look at that, guys. Look at that, boys. We still going. We still above $1.70 right as we speak. Once more, we couldn't come back down, okay? Not a big worry. We have hit it, and that is what it's all about. We have sustained this bullish momentum, and I want to kind of see Bitcoin, actually, to see what that one is doing. Bitcoin is also shooting past. Guys, this is exactly what we predicted. Oh, my gosh. Our prediction of yesterday was Bitcoin needs to break out, retest the high, make a higher low. Oh, and then most likely also going to continue on. Let's see VeChain. Let's see VeChain. Okay, VeChain is just, a little bit. It's not, okay, yeah, we did actually, this is daily. No, VeChain is not breaking yet. I bought some more VeChain, by the way, a little bit of it. And I was buying, actually, I've been telling it on Patreon, guys. Patreon is almost sold out, by the way, I think. I might have to increase the slots at one point. Because it's going way quicker than I anticipated. And so there's really, yeah, I think we might need more room. Let's see here. The Patreon is completely, I think we have like, how many spots do we have left? 4 spots remaining. That is insane. This one, by the way, this is not something you should order. This is just if you really want me to help you one-to-one, if you're a big crypto type of guy, it's a possibility. Once more, you don't need this 99% of the time. This is the one which the most people are just getting right now. It's going freaking nuts, though, everybody. We're talking with some strategies here that work, I guess, because things are going amazing. We should maybe watch the dislikes today, because that is pretty funny. How people are really going crazy at this. What do you guys think about Lark? I don't know. I've never had anything against him, to be completely honest. But I think a lot of people are really hating on this right now because he said don't buy XP yesterday, and then all of a sudden today it's zooted. The court case, okay, so he says today XP court case, likely scenarios. I maybe have to watch it myself to just quickly know, right, to have my own thoughts. Because I didn't do that, so I can't say if this is good or bad video. It could be that he has this title saying, hey, it's just a really big risk because of the court case. I'm not trying to defend him, but I am giving everybody a fair shot, you know? I always want to be that guy to just be neutral in this one until proven wrong in that sense. Because I'm not just going to say he's a bad person or say he's really, anything like that. Just let's see first. XP to Bitcoin looking juicy as, guys, look at that. 8% correction before coming back up there. It's all looking amazing, guys. Ooh, we're back at about 169. But it's all good. It's all part of the plan. Once more, like you guys all know, a 1 minute chart will just keep on moving. So, yeah, all right? Every time we watch this, we will see movement happening. It's all about the bigger picture. You guys are correct about that. But it's just sometimes really fun to see the pump happening live, right? To see it just pump up a little bit. But look at this, guys. Everything on a daily, hourly, 4 hour, every perspective you're watching it from is looking perfect. Nobody can tell me that VET is breaking out. Let's quickly see VET on a really short time frame then. VET breaking out. I mean, not as much as XRP, to be honest. And this is a little bit awful to watch. Let's go on an hourly. Now, VET is kind of getting its retest. Let's see how far it went down on VeChain. Only about 13% or so. Now coming back up. Interesting. Let's see a couple other coins. XLM, pump it up again. Yes, we're going strong for XLM. It's basically picking up at the same pace at which XRP is kind of doing, but XRP, of course, is better. TRX is coming back up. Once more, one of the coins in Patreon, who hopefully got into it. Let's see. DOT. Not doing too much. Not doing too much. What other coins do we have? Litecoin. Litecoin is really not one of my favorite coins anymore. I really don't think that's a really nice one to have. And ADA. Yeah, ADA's also picking up the pace, but not that hard. It's been going sideways for a little while. There's some extra enthusiasm the last couple of weeks, or the last couple of days, I should say, because of the four monthly thing where smart contracts are coming and whatnot. You got to pump it up. You got to know, pump it up. It's stuck in my own head, guys. Rothboss coming back in with the $5. He's always there. Rothboss 29. Always here with the support. Once more, we haven't gone a single stream where Rothboss is not here. He is always present. You already know. XRP gang. He's Rothboss always there, always supporting, always. Yeah, it's freaking stuck in my head, everybody. You got to pump it up. Got to know, pump it up. Ooh, okay, so somebody says I'm giving away 2,000 XRP. I think it's a lie, though. Yeah, it's a little sketchy thing. I don't know why he's asking people's address, but you blocked it, Nomadic. Good thing. I don't think he's being sincere with that. This is so this is looking so freaking juicy, everybody. Once more, oh my god. Thank you so much all for watching this stuff. It's so crazy. It's so crazy to see you guys all come together. I love it so much, man. You cannot imagine. This is so freaking nuts. And Nomadic doing a good job with the moderating stuff, man. You're going crazy. XLM? All right, let's put XLM back up here, too. Maybe we should get premium so we can actually put 8 things together. Right now, we can only put 4. 8 things, well, could have been cooler. But, I mean, then I'm going to buy it for, like, I don't know, $100. How much is the premium? Freaking expensive. And I'm just going to watch it for extra charge then. I don't know. 4 charts, I think, is also okay. Wait, so Josh says, we don't have to pump shit. XRP is a rocket. We are just waiting on the banks to do their pump. What are we thinking, guys? What's going to be the next big thing for XRP? Do you guys have anything in the pipelines? I would say next Monday is the motion to intervene by John Deaton. That could be pretty damn huge. Let me quickly look it up. Motion. Let's type in John Deaton on Twitter. Let's see if he's already put something out. He did say something earlier today about... let's actually see some other stuff. Let's see, James. This is what we covered yesterday, by the way. The whole court case, the what is it called now? The parts, Brett Garlinghouse, Chris Larson, and everything. All the parts regarding the lawsuit, the motion to dismiss. We didn't get the real insights because it was too difficult. Because it was like 60 pages. Has anybody actually given out a summary today yet, guys? I don't know. I've just been watching XRP price. I cannot look around news. I cannot do that right now. I am watching this stuff unfold. Bitcoin is breaking out like crazy. Bitcoin is going nuts. XRP to Bitcoin is still going even crazier, though. Even nuttier. Yes, XRP is still... I told you I'm buying XRP from my Bitcoin. I don't care if you say it's dumb. You think I care? Nah, I don't care about that. I know where we're headed. I know where we're going. I know the road here. I know where we are about to go. Look at that, everybody. Let's freaking go. Terra pumping. What's your favorite altcoin? Put it in the chat box. It's going to be a little bit of spam, Nomadic. I'm just quickly saying. But put your favorite altcoin in the chat box. Let me see, all right? Let me see what your favorite motherfucking altcoin is. Let's freaking go, guys. XP going like crazy. And Rick asks where I'm from. If you watched the live stream for a little while, you would have known, huh? Have a look at Matic. Let me quickly see what you guys are. If there's one big request, we're going to look at that. Merry Christmas says, why isn't ZIL moving? To be honest, I don't know too much about that. ZIL, I've bought so much of recently, but I've just been holding that one, not really doing anything towards with it at all. It's not moving. I should check out the news then, though, guys, because I'm a news type of guy. I believe in the charts partially. I believe more so in the bigger picture, right? I believe in what's happening, what the process is, and what the utility is looking like. So with Zilliqa, we know from a fundamental perspective that it's still doing good. And why is it not moving? I mean, it did move a couple days ago still. It's all relative, right? It's all happening like right now. But let's see Ava, actually. Ava is also one of my favorite ones. I told everybody in Patreon about that one. I said, hey, this is going to be my buy. Let's see. Ooh, so we saw a pretty big pump today, actually, to 420. Let's see that one. How much did it do today? Or in a couple of days then? 23% still. Huh. Hey, guys, if you're in the Patreon, let me know when I said to buy. Because I might have... I'm going to quickly say when I said I'm buying Ava. I'm going to check Patreon out. Patreon, there we go. Let me see my posts. When was my update? Coin update, here we go. Okay, so it's Tuesday. What day is it today? I have no clue. What Tuesday didn't... Let me see. Okay, so the 6th. Ooh, okay, it's a little bit high then, I guess. But we're still up, though. That's good. It's all good. It's all part of the bigger plan, guys. It's all part of the bigger plan. Look at XRP still. Still looking so good. Oh, sorry. Stop spamming. Yeah, we wanted to quickly get some coins in. Hey, Sanush coming back in. Could XRP dump? Of course. Of course it's possible. However, our target has been higher a little bit. So at first our target was like right around here. Right now, let's quickly see. Yeah, that would be kind of a maximum type of correction. This previous one we drew out, which is the previous top we hit on the 7th of April. That was like a kind of a minimum scenario before. Right now, that's the maximum. Where right now, it's basically like this. So it has changed from this scenario number 1 to scenario number 2. Here it is. No, here it is. There we go. So basically like this, right? So it's basically going to be going, zoom. Test, retest this area again, come back upwards a little bit, and then retest the bottom side, which is right around here. And then hopefully from here on forwards, going to be another long position and just go crazy nuts and go towards the next area. As you guys know, where we're about to head. This is what happens usually. But then again, you're not going to know for sure. Our prediction now is correct. It was a 50-50 kind of bet, you might say. But this was if the lawsuit fixes itself, which it did, then a little bit later, usually people buy in. It just happens most of the time, guys. And I keep saying, don't sleep on these lawsuit dates. People are buying XRP right now, mostly in anticipation of this lawsuit. And MS asks, will you keep making videos in the bear market? I don't know if you have watched my channel, but we've been doing this for 4 years. The majority of my time has been spent in the bear market. Do you think I care? Of course not, guys. We are watching this all the time. Bear market, exploding market, every single guys, come on. You think your boy Dust is going to sleep on you? Nah, we got to update you guys with every single thing. Peter has a pretty beautiful story. Let me quickly see that. I still can't believe this. A year ago, I almost lost my apartment due to my long-term unemployment. Now, a year later, in my new job and having invested more in crypto, I finally see my life change. I'm happy for you to hear that, Peter. Really. I'm really happy to hear that. I'm happy to hear a lot of you guys' stories. I see so many people saying I was unemployed, but crypto, or specifically sometimes XRP, but just whatever crypto is really making us go crazy, or making you, I don't know, changing your life up. I don't know, I like it. I like to see it. You want a stochastic RSI? Why not just a normal RSI? Why do you want the stochastic? I could put in a stochastic, but I don't use that ever. Yeah. You would say it's overbought. This will neutralize itself out, though, I think. Pretty soon here. I don't really care about that, to be honest. RSI, I would think would might be nice if you're going to try kind of expect the whole move to switch over, maybe on like a weekly perspective, because it is looking really overbought, right? It's really high at the top. But then again, if you look at this, look at where it headed then. 94. Right now, we still have pretty big room to grow to even get to 94 in the RSI, which is when it turned over right there. And also look at this, right? So here, RSI once more was about 94. If you sold off right here, you might have gotten yourself a little nice amount of gains, right? You could have bought in maybe like a pretty far percentage, like 99% down or something like that. However, if you never bought in because you're waiting for the dip, which a lot of people do, you wouldn't have got these huge gains either. And that's the really annoying thing with a lot of this, right? Where it's like, if you're going to sell, make sure, at least my opinion, right? Not financial advice, my opinion. Make sure you have a really good plan to buy back in. Because if you're just going to sell it and leave it at that, and you're just like, oh, you know what, I'll buy back in once we dip. Too many people have that idea and never buy back in, and they are called mats, or there's some different names for them, because they lose all their money eventually. In the sense that they really go over route, like, okay, you know what, I'll sell a little bit at a loss right now, for example, and I'll buy back in. There's so much stuff like that. I'll sell a loss and buy back cheaper. No, not my type of style. What we do is we don't sell if we don't make profit. We don't sell if we don't make profit. I keep telling people, I do not sell a crypto if we're not in profit, unless there is a complete bear market and it's a coin that you hated. For example, if you bought right now a coin that is called, I don't know, poopy coin, I don't know, some stupid stuff like that, and the bear market hits, you might want to reconsider that. Don't get me wrong. But as long as that's not the case, as long as the bull market is here, oh boys, we're still, look at that, everybody. Pooh, jeez. And then consider that this is just the start. Huh? This is 2017 all back over again, but just the start. What if this is just what we're seeing like right here? Where XRP is just go. We have uncharted territory that we're going to be going to. Damn it, guys. Woodlands Fuel coming in with the £5 with the emojis. Thank you so much for your support to the cause. Never selling. Well, you can sell some if you ever want to, but right now something that's just a little bit, I don't know, guys. What do you think about Vet? Vichin is a long-term hold of mine. I made a video on it yesterday. Let me quickly see how this video is performing. So it's got 2.8k likes, 2.2k dislikes. Maybe I'm toxic for watching this, but I think it's interesting. 2.4. Oh no, guys. People are going really mad on this one. Oh my days. Is it really bad? Tell me in the chat. I want to know. Otherwise, we're going to have to watch it a little bit later. But I can't watch it live because he might be angry and strike us down. So I can't do that. Just to be sure, right? I want to also keep respect to him. Once more, not trying to make anybody my enemy. I shouldn't have sold. Oh, there's one moderator. I don't know if he's in the chat right now. He actually texted me this morning saying, why did I sell my XRP? That was the funniest wake-up thing ever. Let me see. I'm not going to show it, actually. That might not be smart. But he did text me this morning saying, why did I not buy more XRP? I should have. And I said, always listen to Dusty. Once more, that does not mean I give financial advice. Please do not think this is financial advice. And please do not wait for me to give you entries or anything like that. The only thing I can provide, that's the only thing, is my Patreon, where I give you guys again, if somebody's in the Patreon right now, you can tell them in the chat box. It's basically just my insights into the market. I will make a couple of videos here and there. Every time I buy a crypto, I'll tell people. And that's what I do in there. And again, it had a ton of freaking spots. Right now, it's almost sold out already. We might add some new spots soon because the request was a little bit more than I could have expected. But yeah. It's been going crazy. Let's see. What else do we have open? We have XRP. There's not really too much news to cover, to be honest. Right now it's just XRP breakout time. It's above 70 cents. Still going strong. Mike G says, what happened to GSX? I think GSX is still doing juicy. They told me in about 4 days or something like that, maybe 5 days, we have another exchange coming up. That's what I've been told. GSX crypto. If you have any questions, I have a contact person inside, so I might be able to ask a question if it is necessary. It says here on their website that the value might start at about 4.4. I'm just checking it out as well. Yeah, it's a pretty cool thing though. Still, I like it. But yeah. Look at UBX. No. Can you check out BTT? We can't open that up, my guy. We can't open that up. Hey, let's ask it again, all right? For me, right now, it's about 2 p.m. What are you guys watching from? What's the time over there right now? Must be... so many people in Australia right now just crying because it's about to be sleepy time, huh? Sleepy time for some of you guys. You said check out BTT. Let's do that. Let's check out BTT USDT. Ooh, this one is going down like crazy. On a 1 hour frame. So the thing is with BTT, I don't actually think this is a bad coin because it really has utility, right? And I think BTT, for that matter, is just something which you have to really believe in and hold on. But it's so easy to just buy yourself like 100,000 coins and just kind of get lost in it. I'm not going to say easy, but it's a lot easier to buy 100,000 coins of this one than another one. And people think it's so cheap, so I'll just do that. And I would say it's actually kind of a good okay idea because it's still pretty low. The adoption might still break out, and it's a Justin Sun related project. And as we all know, those very often just pick up at one point or another and start pumping like crazy. So BTT is definitely on my list of coins that might go completely berserk. We're just watching it unfold, everybody. I think a lot of people hate the minute chart and hate me watching it, but I just got to watch this, guys. I got to see this break out even further. We want to see it. Somebody says, don't really like XRP. It goes against the main pillars of crypto. From a certain perspective, I get you. But, Emil, do you like BNB then? Because if you think BNB is all the way good, while XRP isn't, that's kind of hypocritical. Because BNB is literally centralized, decentralized. Can Bitcoin Cash explode? I'm not a Bitcoin Cash type of guy. Don't try me, bro. Try the 5-second chart. Let's not do that, everybody. Let's not go beyond minutes. Minutes is the worst we'll take. But this minute chart is the best one you'll see in a very long time. Look at that. We went in this little time frame here from about $1.36 to $1.70. Oh, my days. Do you think correction will happen below $1? I don't think so, no. I actually do not think so. Blake says, VeChain and XRP cover over 40 or 80% of my portfolio. That is insane. Why did you, Nomadic, why did you block that one? That was a good thing. Hey, Nomadic, you're slacking off a little bit, man. That was a good comment. He said he could post that. Pulling up the jam. Maybe, guys, maybe we do need like a dedicated jam. Oh, he was spamming it? Oh, all right, man. Okay, you're not slacking then. I'm so sorry, man. you know better than I do. Sorry, Nomadic. Sorry for questioning your insights. I don't think, to be honest, I don't really see XP going below $1 anymore anytime soon. If it does, you know what I'll be doing? I don't know where. Let me quickly see if you guys can hear this, all right? So what I would be doing is, wait, let me. I'm gonna do like this. So think about this as if it were a click on my. Things are falling. This is what I would do to my mouse button or the buy button. I would completely obliterate that buy button if it goes below $1 again. You don't even want to know, but but we'll see, I guess, huh? Because yeah, that would be too insane. I'm not gonna expect that to happen. But oh my days, I'll be spamming the my fingers will not be able to handle it. USA APM, all right. Doge is moving. Screw Doge, guys. I'm not a Doge type of guy. I mean, I have a little bit of Doge, but that's just for the memes. I don't really am a supporter of Doge, to be honest. And if you guys are you a Doge supporter? It's not really my thing. I don't know. Maybe I'm not. I don't know. I'm just not that. I don't like Doge too much. Oh yeah, you guys are saying second rejection right there? Yeah, that's all solid though. That's all within the plan, so it's actually not a bad thing. Mac Attack XRP. Check his Twitter post, Dusty. I will do that for you, my man. Mac Attack XRP. Sneeze. There we go. Okay, so you're saying check his Twitter. He posted a Ripple CEO Begal is asking Josh to dismiss the SE. We saw this already. You're giving me old freaking news, bro. What do you do? Hey, this. Hey, holy smokes, this is nice. Look at this. This is nice. No, this is awful. I don't like this. I don't like charts like that. I'm kind of a hypocrite, I guess. I think he's joking, right? Maybe he's not joking. I think he's joking. Maybe he's not joking, actually. These are all really interesting levels, actually. But I thought he was joking because it's so freaking crowded. But then again, my chart sometimes looks like that, too. It's a little bit too crowded, maybe. We got a second rejection at 171, or our Fibonacci level. Uh-oh, the computer is picking back up the steam, guys. Mark Kung says, drop a like, support the channel, report spammers. If you live by those rules, you're a man to my liking. If you drop a like, boom, I all of a sudden instantly like you. If you support the channel by doing that, that's again, support, that's a big thumbs up. And if you report the scammers and the spammers, that's also a good thing. There's so many scammers out there, guys. It's insane. Every time I refresh a comment, like right now, I was looking at a Hank Orion comment saying, I come from the future. XRP is $1 million in 3,205. And every time I refresh this every 5 minutes, there's just another spammer or scammer underneath there saying, hey, Michael, or hey, Orion, thank you for your comment. Here's my WhatsApp. If I could do something against those guys, I would sacrifice a lot to make sure people don't get scammed in my comment section at least. But yeah, hey, if you're watching right now and you're not following me over on Twitter, you are missing out. I post on it pretty often. Maybe we should actually have taken a screenshot. We'll talk about it. I guess we'll do it later on Twitter. YouTube is more important. Everybody watching here, you guys have priority right now. Every single one of you, I love. Don't get me wrong. I love every single one of you. Nicholas asks, when do we sell XRP? Not in the near time frame. I'm sorry, man. XRP selling? XRP sell. I don't even know what that means. It's not in my vocab. It's hard to think in my head. The brain structure doesn't allow for such interpretations. It doesn't. XRP sell? Nah. That ain't my style, brothers. We're about to go full send to the freaking moon. That's where we're about to go. That is what I'm watching. That's what I'm here for. That is the only option we have. But Bitcoin is breaking out like crazy too, by the way. Once more, this is really a good thing for XRP's bigger run, though. If Bitcoin breaks out, there's more momentum for altcoins to pop off. We needed this. We needed Bitcoin to just quickly show some strength so that altcoins can continue to flourish. I need to pull up on a CoinMarketCap to quickly look at dominance here. So see how that one is doing? Dominance here at the top over on CoinMarketCap. You guys cannot see it maybe, but it is opening up. Hey guys, if you're watching right now, make sure you press that freaking like button. Why not? What do you have to lose? And it helps out the channel a little bit, helps out with the YouTube algorithm a little bit. And check also if you're subscribed to the channel still, because I keep seeing now and keep hearing people saying they've gotten out. Like that the subscription has canceled itself. I'm thinking it might be spam prevention. If a lot of people subscribe at the same time, YouTube might think it's a bot or something like that, and it might take all the subscriptions off. Because every time I say press the like button, it goes like up 100, and then all of a sudden, a couple minutes later, boom, it's back down all the way again. So make sure you still check if your like is going on. Maybe just tick it off and put it back on if you can, just to make sure that it's still there. Because check it out, right? Right now the likes are, let's see guys, how much are the likes? Put the number in the chat box, and I'll see if it goes back down. Because we got to test it out. I think YouTube is trying to mess us up a little bit. All right, but the dominance for XRP is picking up. Look at that little nudge right there. Why do we want a 2013? Let's go from year to date. Bitcoin started off at about 71% or so with XRP at around 1.4. Right now, XRP is about 3.2 and Bitcoin at about 53. We want Bitcoin to pick up a little bit again, just a teeny weeny bit, because we want everything to keep gaining over longer term. Okay, you guys are all seeing different numbers. How can this be? Who's watching something completely different? Somebody's saying 200, 24, 500. What are you guys watching? 492. You guys are in the past, I think. I don't know what you're doing. You're not watching the right amount of likes, I think. Okay, so have this in the back of your head, right? Right now we're at 760-ish. And then look back in about a couple minutes, let's say maybe 20 minutes, and see if it's back to like 600 or 690. Because usually it drops about 100 likes every time it does that. I'm just checking on my phone right now. For me, the likes is right now at about 780 to be exact. Oh, Nomadic says his likes are at 33 because he needs to refresh. Okay. And you guys are crazy. We're almost at 800 likes. That is insane. That is insane, everybody. You guys are so crazy. Whew. I don't know what to say, man. I just love you all. You're all so crazy. For me, it's at 810 likes right now. That is insane. Oh, my days. What's going on? What is going on? What is going on? And XRP, second rejection. Once more, guys, it's all part of the plan. It's all part of the plan. It's all part of the plan. $1. Okay, so let's see here. $1. How much XRP would I buy? I'm just thinking here. If it really... Okay, guys, stop spamming now. You're all getting blocked now, and Nomadic can't fix it. Let me ask something differently. Where you guys are watching from? Let's put it like that here. Don't keep spamming those numbers. Don't keep spamming the numbers. Where you guys are watching from? Are we at 900 likes? No way. No way. Are we at 900? That is... Oh, that is insane. I think this is the second time ever that we hit that so quickly. That is insane. There was one time where we had 5,000 people watch. Oh no, 18,000 people watching. That was really insane. One time we had 5,000, but this is the third biggest I've ever had. 2,500 people. That is insane, guys. You guys are all nuts. Anyway, to be an XP holder, you got to be a little bit nutty. You got to be a little bit crazy right there to be able to hold this one all the way through the bear market and make your profit right now. Everybody who is held right now and is not in profit, that is strange, right? You might have a little bit of a problem on your own. if you're not in profit right now, yeah, there's guys, I think we hit 1,000 likes. There we go, everybody. You got to pump it up. You got to pump it up. You got to pump it up. Now we're just waiting for XP to pump it up. And look at that. Hey. Let's pump it up, boys. Let's go with it. Let's go. It's going to be crazy, everybody. I just keep telling you. XRP, one of my favorite coins out there. XRP, one of my favorite coins out there. I might put on slow mode in a little bit. All right, guys. But now, check out. Right now we're at 1K likes. Come back at the likes and see if it's dropped down like crazy in just a second. Because it happens for the subscribers. It happens for the likes. I don't know why. But yeah, if it's back at like 600 in just a second, there's something wrong, all right? So keep monitoring it, guys. Keep monitoring it properly. But let's go. Let's go XR motherfucking P. There we go. This is so crazy. Yeah, but there's somebody says there's 2.5K people watching and 1K likes. There's already been 25.8 thousand people who pressed the stream on. So the amount of people watching, the majority of people only watch for like 3 minutes. The average watch time is 3 minutes. So all of you watching are loyal and core, but a lot of people are not out there doing that. Inspired Gaming says, please let me know, boss. Could I buy in right now or try waiting for a dip? I want to hold for long run, but I want to obviously maximize my coins. Thanks in advance, mate. Obviously, I cannot give you that answer. There's a lot of people asking that, and I just... Whoa, guys, we're zooming again. Look at that. Wait a minute. That was a huge candle like that. I already saw it when it just had a little bit of an open area here. Look at that. We just zoomed it again to 170 plus. That was crazy. I obviously cannot tell you if you should buy or sell coins. All right, I cannot give financial advice. The only thing I am doing is over on Patreon. I'm given when I am personally buying. That's the best I can do for you. All right, so if you're really interested in that, you can check it out. But I cannot tell you if you should buy or sell. All we know is we are buying XP like mad. And people who make the mistake of not listening to my video, what was it now? This one here. Yeah, they're seeking the consequences now. Right in this video, we said, should you still buy XP right now? This was 15 hours ago. You get to watch this and just, I guess realize what I said in there and be like, hey, you know what, maybe I should make a choice. Because this was just before everything zooted once more. This is going nuts. Hey, let me know if, let's go for a quick poll here. Who is still buying XRP? Who's still buying XRP at these prices? What are you guys doing? Damn, everybody. Damn. All right, a lot of you guys are still buying XRP, huh? There we freaking go, huh? The support, yeah. I mean, I shouldn't say the support, because, I mean, it's not really supporting me if you do that. It's not like it hurts or helps me. Okay, that's slow mo. I'll put the slow mode on. No worries. I got you. So people cannot at least spam anymore. Let's put it to 6 seconds then. I bought yesterday. Man, everybody who bought XP yesterday must today be like freaking happy everybody who bought XP yesterday, let me ask it like that. That would have been so amazing. I can already kind of, man, I can already feel it. If you just bought it yesterday, that would have been so nice. But there's most likely a ton of people. Yeah, and you guys know my Dust TBC strategy, right? You guys all know how it works. When I buy, I think I've already told every single one of you. Hey, Driven Madness says, Thanks for all your content, handsome men. Hey, can we have some fun? Hey, you melt some faces looking at prices in Australian dollars. How do I XRP Australian dollar? Hold up, wait a minute. Zoom! Okay, so XRP on the Australian dollar is at $2.28. Maybe we should have done like, I don't know, I should have made a title and like a clickbaity face with like a, I don't know how some guys do it, like the face, you know what face I mean, like the really amazed type of face. I should have maybe done that, you know, and just said, oh, XP at 225 on the Australian pair. But we don't say that. We don't say that. People are going to go be going crazy, going to FOMO in. People just watching the stream right now are going to be like, oh, what is this? Sorry, that would be really funny. Legendary says, my bags have been filled for years. Hmm. Damn. Let me quickly see here. When will XP hit 40? Okay, let me put some stuff up here. We are expecting, this is the Australian pair, right? So it's a little bit skewed to watch this. I think some people might just tune in and be like, oh my god, Dusty, did it just hit $2.27? No way. Um, I'm just quickly thinking here. What is our new target? What would be our new target? Yeah, I think, you know, there's a lot of people who just tune in and who don't press away again. They're looking at this like, whoa, what is this, Dusty? XP is a 220. This is the Australian Pro. Let's not bait people anymore, guys. Let's not do this. Let's go. Nah, I mean, it's pretty funny. I see a lot of people just amazed right now. Look at the actual chart. Okay, let's go back. Let's go XPUSD. Okay, I'm sorry, boss. Let's see. Is it pumping again? It's. Oh wait, what? It's XP up. Sorry, XPUSDT. There we go. It's pumping back up. Looking juicy, boys. Look at that. Okay, so we've crossed our line once more, though. Look at that. Yeah. Or I guess it's the third retest. I guess. The zone, however, is really becoming quite apparent and important, huh? You got to pump it up. You got to know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. XRP all-time high soon. Leapfrog Ethereum market cap. Man, if XRP goes back to all-time high, we might have to do a no pants type of stream. We might have to do something crazy like that. Hardick says every time you stream, the XP price is pumping up. I suggest you live 24/7. Maybe, right? Every time we watch, it goes up like, I don't know, like 15% or so. That's true. I'm just quickly kind of putting my own parameter. Hey, boys, we zooting again. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. We kind of going past our previous level. Let's quickly watch this happen. You got, oh no, exactly the same top here. Let's see if we're gonna break through that. This is a minute chart, guys. Keep in mind, this is not the big. Yes, I think so. Yes, I think we already did it though. You got to pump it up. You got to know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. You got to pump it up. You got to know, pump it up. No, pump it up. You got to pump it up. You got to no pump it up. Yeah, you got to pump it up. I feel it in my freaking body right now, man. I like that song is a freaking band. Maybe I have to buy something. Like maybe I have to buy a license to just listen to that song myself, or maybe to I don't know. I don't think that's possible to to buy the song to show it on the stream. But damn, I like that song. You got to pump it up, you got to know, pump it up. Hey, you got to pump it up, pump it up. My song is not going correct anymore. Do you think I care right now, guys? I don't know. I'm just too happy. I don't even know. Are we rich yet? I mean, what do you consider rich? We are pumping like mad. XRP going here at 170 freaking 3. So, I don't know. The only thing I can definitely say is we're pumping up. You got to pump it up. You got to know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. You got to know, pump it up. Hey. Yeah, we still going, boys. $1.73 point something has been hit, ladies and gentlemen. 173.3. I feel like a freaking CNBC sports announcer. 173 has been hit. We are waiting for a 174. Are we going like that? Oh, no, like an auction guy, maybe. Like 172. Are we going to retest 173? Oh, we got a 173. Guys, this is going nice. Let's go. Let's zoot. You got to pump it up. No, pump it up. Everybody who hasn't pressed the like button yet, you should press that little button. All right? Why, my ears. Sorry, Stray. Sorry, man. I had to do it to you, man, for a little second. I'm excited, boys. I'm so sorry. You watch it. There we go. Expected to retrace to 130. My own expectation is at maximum 117 as a low end. But that would once more just mean we buy. You got to know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. You all know it already, huh? You got to frickin' pump it up. You got to pump. You know, again, where did somebody just say now? Oh, this was the highest we hit? If you check betting the chat, you saw somebody say it. Look at that. Nope. Once more, it's not about the real percentages. This is only like 0.7% up. It's about the idea. There is no end to this. The video here, once more, check it back. Go watch it again. If you've... Maybe I should just re-upload this video once more today saying, must watch, should you still buy XRP? Because people are still asking me, should you buy XRP? I give them the same answer every freaking time. It is expensive to where it was a couple of days ago. It is not expensive for where it's about to go. You want to maximize gains? Okay, then you do you. Time it properly. But I told you all, timing the market is a really dangerous thing if you don't know what you're doing properly. And even I don't know what I'm doing properly. I'm not a freaking hedge fund. I don't know how you can time the market with your billions of dollars like that. Justy, should we worry about a correction? What do you mean worry about a correction? How can you worry about an XP correction? Correction means buy more. Is that a worry thing? I don't think so. That's to me, by the way. This is not financial advice, just my own opinion. Already $1.80. Watch Live Coin Watch. Live Coin Watch takes different prices together. That value is interesting, but it's not final. Like, you should take it with a grain of salt. I always watch TradingView to see what exchanges that I'm trading on, for example, price are showing. Because this one, Live Coin Watch, is showing $1.80. But if you check in, you see the pair that they're using is maybe a different one. For example, they're taking average with Korea in mind. And Korea right now is going crazy. Let's tweet it out. XP $2 in Korea. Because it's going, it's true right now. XP is going to BitThumb. Let's go BitThumb. Let me look it up here. BitThumb. Let me quickly pull up this Korean chart. How much is XP trading at right now? Ooh. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, XP is trading at $1.97, aka $2 per freaking coin. Yes. Also, Bitcoin is $72,000 here. You got to pump it up. I like this live stream today, man. I like this today. This is a good freaking day. How you guys all doing? How you guys all feeling? I'm doing good. 589 guesses. Went to take a little poopy, and the thing went up a little. Yeah, that's the system, right? Every time you just leave for a little second, boom. Let me quickly see. I saw one thing pop up in. What do you think about AER's network Binance? I don't have any opinion on that. I do not know it, nor do I think it's really solid knowing by the name. But I could quickly type it in for you. AER's. Yeah, no. Layer 1 blockchain-based content delivery network opens the new. Yeah, I'm a little bit too cautious with all these BNB scams, to be honest. So I'm not going to say anything about it. I'm just going to assume it's a scam until proven otherwise. Because there's so many Binance chain scams right now. It's insane. And the other don't know. I'm seeing... Okay, so Michael Jack says, I'm seeing between $4.20 and $6.69 by April 20th. I like that. You see... Oh, look at that, guys. Dumpy dump. Not trying to meme. I'm actually being dead serious. I like that, brother. April 20th, $4.20 and $6.69. Those are some juicy ass prices. You got to pump it up. You got to know, pump it up. You got to pump it. You guys are afraid of this type of stuff? If you are, you're in the wrong field, my brothers. You got to pump it up. You got to know, pump. I'm having my hands in the freaking air, just singing my own song here, going juicy because we're happy. I don't know, because we're happy, everybody. Because we're happy, and you know what? We're also just maybe it's just that we're satisfied. We are happy knowing where it's about to head. We're not worried about any of these prices. We know. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you press the subscribe button. It's worth it. You got to pump it up. You got to pump it up. You got to pump it up. Yes, 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 yes. Your boom, pa pa pa, pa 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 pa. Where's the next target, guys? Should it be 190? Should it be something like that? Or I don't even know, to be honest. I think just $2 is gonna be the next one that we're just gonna zoot past, to be honest. To be honest, I think so. I don't think there's going to be any really heavy resistance at like $2. It's mostly going to be like around that area, like $2.10 or something like that. You got to pump it up. You got to know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. You got to. We got Flare coming up as well. We got maybe, now I don't want to say a Coinbase thing like that, but we got some crazy stuff happening here. Monday is going to be the next important day for the lawsuit. So we got another motion to intervene by John Dean. That might be yet another thing which is going to pump. And I keep saying, people, I kind of think that all the way up to the 20th is still going to be just pumpy, pumpy, pump. Why? Well, think about it. The XRP price right now reflects what people believe in this lawsuit right now. So the price, theoretically speaking, should be going up, 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 all the way toward that point. If we go to an hourly, like, okay, so we got some positive news earlier today, or maybe yesterday, depending on where you are. Right, we got some important news today. The price did well. We got some important news the 19th. So theoretically speaking, the price should keep increasing until that point, right? We should just maybe keep going up like that until about the 19th. And then once the data is positive, we should go zoot higher, exactly like happened now. However, because the 22nd is kind of a negative date, we have a motion to strike Ripple. That's not necessarily good. There might be that the 22nd could be bad in anticipation. So I was expecting maybe 20th will be like right around this area. Then we fall back down a little bit until the 22nd. And once a positive thing comes out for Ripple here, we'll just zoot past again towards the next level. Just keep zooting, maybe like 250 or something like that. That sounds kind of logical to me. That could be like the way that things will go. Somebody says, stop singing for God's sake. No. Amit, I'm so sorry. That is one request I cannot grant you. I will almost do anything, but that I cannot do. The stop singing, no. Lots of FLR incoming. Yeah, I mean, there's going to be most likely quite some speculation surrounding FLR. That might be pretty crazy. You got to pump it up. But however, our area is still holding quite fine. Somebody says, I'm a billionaire, so I can move the XP market. That's nice. I like that. We're seeing it again. Somebody says, is it too late to buy? I'm going to reference you to my video right here from 15 hours ago, explaining if you should still buy XP right now. You might think, Dusty, the price has already gone up more. Okay, still watch the video again and then reconsider. Watch the video again. Watch the video again. Even if the price is at $7, watch the video again. This video is going to be important for all the time. It doesn't matter what price it is. I'm going to quickly refresh the video here to see if he got 2.9, 2.5. Uh-oh, 2.9, 2.7. No, he's not liking this one. Why did he try this? Maybe he did actually really well in terms of subscribers. I don't know. But I think it's definitely a kind of a stab yourself in the foot type of thing if you're going to go against the XP community. It's not smart, but all right. Boom, just lost 5. Maybe we should check out how many subscribers he lost. I don't know, though. Why would you hate on XRP? I don't get it. How could people not understand that this... Oh, but maybe. Do you think Elon is using Gematria to promote XRP? To be honest, I'm not really a believer in that, but I'm not saying it's not possible. I'm just not really sure exactly how that would go. It's possible, though. I mean, I'm not going to say it isn't. I'm not going to say I really firmly believe in it. Right? You feel me? Guys, we have just hit 88,000 subscribers. You guys are so insane, I can't even explain it. Maybe we'll even go to 88.5 thousand today. You guys are nuts. Holy smokes. And hopefully XRP is going to zoot past all the way to $2. Once more, $2, not going to stop there. $2.10 is our first target for the near future. I'm hoping it's going to just zoot there easily. Okay, so in strategy, you guys want a plan. My own personal plan, I'll explain on Patreon a little bit more in depth. But it's going to be basically like, okay, we've hit a high point today. It's going to depend on what we hit. And we're going to buy 10% down from that first target. So here's going to be our first target, 155. Second target going to be about 137. And then our third target and our biggest one will most likely be right around here. At around $1.16, 17-ish, this area right here. That's the biggest one we'll buy. If it happens, right? That's worst case type of scenario. Hey, Pneumatic says, got to head out. Hey, man, thank you so much for helping out, man. Thank you so much for helping out. Thank you so much for sticking around. Love the support, brother. Yeah, what do I have to do without you? I don't know, but okay. I will manage. I'll try to. You got to pump it up. You got to know, pump it up. I sold half my position at 136 and then bought 40% of it back at 138 for the ride to 148. Father, forgive me, for I have, for I know not what I done. I think a lot of people are having that issue right now, where they're unsure if they should hold XRP to the freaking top of the top, or if they should sell right now because they're in profit. And all I can say about that is, if you're really that uncertain about your position, it might be better to just let go of some coins. I personally think whatever happens here, I'm good holding XRP. I'll be happy to hold it. And look at that, we got to pump it up again, boys. Heading again back to 170, 172. You got to pump it up. Got to know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. What time's it there, Dusty? You can see it at the bottom here. 2:30 p.m. Tashi News says, after 15 years, I am debt-free. Really? That is amazing to hear, Tashi. Congratulations to you, everybody. Congratulations to you. All right. Akshit says, please tell lawsuit important dates, please, India. All right, so the most important lawsuit date is the 19th coming up. That is the motion to intervene by John Deaton. That is basically John Deaton wants the XRP holders to come into this lawsuit too. Now, a date like that does not mean that they will actually intervene. It is their motion to do that, which basically is the start of something, right? What is this? Why did I... Let's take this off. This is ugly. Then the most important date afterwards is the 22nd, which is the motion to strike Ripple's lack of fair notice defense. That is once more the 22nd, which is still all within this month here. That motion to strike Ripple's defense is basically going against Ripple's defense, which said, you know, you should have given us a fair notice. You should have given other people fair notice, and you didn't. And the SC wants to go against that, saying we didn't need to, or we gave you fair notice, something like that. We'll see what their motion is going to be. And so theoretically speaking, I don't know what else to say. The 22nd should be kind of negative, where the 19th will be positive. So the price should most likely move up to about the 20th and then fall back down. That's what usually happens. But then again, the 22nd, I'm going to think that the SEC's motion to strike is actually going to be quite weak if we just follow what we've seen the last couple of days. So I'm kind of thinking it's all going to be good in the end of things. Those are the most important ones. The next ones are all, I believe, in May. We got May 13th, which is another motion to dismiss response from the SEC, and a couple other ones, but these are the ones that I know for right now. John and Jane says, where can you buy XRP right now? I would suggest using Google real quick, because everybody in the world has a different place, right? So it's really difficult. And I don't know if for everybody place out there, but a lot of exchanges people use are bitrue. A link for that is down below. Uphold, Kraken. So yeah. But really, if you want to know for yourself, make sure you check it out on Google. That's really the smartest thing. And Gary Gensler is also going to be confirmed today. I made a video on that earlier. I don't know what time it's going to be because there's like the Senate has the hearing, right? Which is usually starting at around, I'm going to say 12 p.m. New York 12 p.m. New York time, maybe like 8 p.m. my time, 7 p.m. my time, I don't know. And then from there on forward, it's going to be like a couple more hours before Gary Gensler is actually going to be talked about too much. So it's definitely going to be some time before we'll see anything regarding that. Okay, we need a new moderator. Which one of you is eligible? Who of you would be a good chat moderator? Put your hands up real quick. Let me see. If I recognize your name, maybe we can get something going. Who would be good for chat moderator? Guys, let me know. Would you want to be a chat moderator is a different thing. Would you want to have that power? The power to decide over people. Somebody says I only got 10k XRP. Carl MJ says that. First of all, I'm kind of stupid for actually telling out how much XP I have, but I guess, you know how much money that might be at one point or another? You say, I only have this. So many people will wish they had that. That's one thing. And also, what? How can you never should be sad about what you got, everybody. Everybody has their own limits. And even if you have, quote unquote, more money to buy it, doesn't mean you actually should. You should always be comfortable with your holdings right now. Be happy that you're here. Be happy that you're early mostly. Because I'm thinking the majority of people will only start buying XP once this lawsuit is finished. And that's, again, the caveat, right? We're all here before it's finished. We're still here whilst it's happening. That's where we're getting cheap. And then we've said that since like 50 cents, 20 cents, everything like that. Just we're the first freaking 0.01%. Okay, let me see who's all saying you want to be a mod. Let me quickly see. All right. Aaron says, I'm not a 1,500 person streamer. What do you mean with a 1,500 person streamer? Can I hit people? I don't think so. That's not a smart thing. That might not be smart. Hard Tuber says he's online 20 hours every day. Okay, I'm going to recognize all your names. And then I'll just quickly keep seeing who keeps coming back in. Guust is often, very, very often here. I recognize your name from all the time. It's also just the people who always answer the questions. That's who I kind of, I don't know, recognize now. It's a ton of you, though. I mean, hey, Morgan, I also see you. You know, I've been stalking you. Let me manage your clan. You know, Morgan, I know you do me good. Here, you're a moderator now, Morgan. I know you got me. What price levels do you expect as per dates? So, actually, it's really difficult for me to say any exact prices at those dates because, well, there's no real indication which could make us know. What we can, however, say is that there's 2 dates which are positive, 1 day which is inherently negative, and we should kind of expect the XP price to react to those dates. So it's going to be like, once more, my expectation, upwards towards the 19th, because that's a positive date, which is right around here. Then kind of downwards from there on forward, since we're going to the 22nd, because that's a negative date. Then from the 22nd on forward, since that's a positive date again, right around here. Then again, from that point on forward, we're going to be going up once more. Because the 22nd is really, if you think about it, a negative date, because it's the SEC's motion to strike. But if you look at it from the fundamental perspective, it's actually going to be really positive, I think. But please, guys, don't put your XP amounts in the chat. It's never a smart thing to do. It might not be as much money that you have right now, but once more, it might turn out to be a freaking ton of money soon, and people might be watching you. People can always watch this stream back and look at what you said in the chat box. So please, guys, do not put your XP amount out there. It might cause you a lot of harm. Please, guys. Please, please, please. Where are you based? There we go. That's the base of operations right now. Okay. I'm not last name. What do you think about the smart chain thing? I think you're trying to promote something, maybe like a scam or something like that. I'm not sure about it, but you're the second one. Did you do that previous? You did the previous time too. I don't want to talk about that. I don't want to say it because I don't trust it personally. If people are just donating Binance chains type of names, I don't really recommend looking them up because the chance of being a scam is pretty high. If you really wanted to know about it, yeah. I mean, maybe it's a really cool thing, but I just do not trust it inherently. It's about, let me see. Life node maps, AOS. It's about streaming or what? Blockchain-based content delivery network opens to the new era of the internet streaming powered by you. Okay, it is interesting in terms of name. No, in terms of mission, but I guess we'll check it out a little bit later. I have a couple other projects I have to check out for you guys. Okay, what's your favorite altcoin? Let me know. Hey guys, in the chat box, what's your favorite altcoin right now? Because I need a couple of altcoin picks to also start talking about here. Like, I know XEO is one that was recommended a couple of times. What do you think about GSX? I still think it's pretty juicy. They got an exchange coming up, I think. I've been talking to them a little bit. I haven't been hearing too much, to be honest, but I still am pretty happy with it. Somebody says, Lord Davis again. We have it open. We have it open. And I think it's going to lose him a lot of subscribers, I think. He gets 1.2k subs a day. This might hurt him a little bit right now. Let's quickly refresh here. See the likes. Yeah, it's almost a 1-to-1. That is not nice. That is not good. I don't think he likes that. But damn. I don't know what he said in the video, though. I should watch it a little bit later today. I should quickly go over it. Wait. Can Coinbase listing tomorrow dump price? Actually, what are you on about? Coinbase listing tomorrow? What Coinbase listing tomorrow? Do you guys know what he's talking about? Okay, Kim fuck the SEC. I'm just saying like that, just to make sure. Screw the SEC! I don't know. I mean, the SEC has a couple of good parts, but there's a lot of negative in this case. I'm surprised you haven't blocked me on Twitter yet. I don't know. I don't block anybody on Twitter, to be honest. I have blocked, I think, only one person who was too rude. You know, if you're really going to harass me like that, I might block you, but normally I don't really do that. You can say whatever. It's a free space, you know? You can say whatever you want. What did you do then? What, did you do anything negative? Wait a minute. Look at this. Look at this little thing that somebody said. I had the live right now thing, right? Somebody said, a troll is inside out. A troll screen is upside down. This is why trolls keep saying it's going downwards. I like that. I like that very much. That's too funny. All these trolls of XRP, they're just watching the screen freaking the other way around. They don't know how to do that. They're just... Alright, that's too funny, man. Pump it up to 10K. You know what? Let's maybe put some magic on this, right? Let's go. Does somebody have some magic to just pump it up to like $2 something just now? If somebody has it, make sure you use it right now. I want to see it happen. Once more, if somebody has like the freaking magic to do it, quickly do it, and we can go to the moon then. That would be nice. Hey, we see two things coming in. Hey, Gary Gosnell, I hope I pronounced that right, says, good morning from Footworth. I'm not sure exactly what that is. Texas. Which coin besides XRP do you feel will go parabolic? So I usually give you guys lists on my channel. If you go, for example, to Dusty BC here, you'll see, here are my favorite altcoins that could make you us millionaires in 2021. All these coins did well. It's a little bit of a difficult question, though, because you're asking me that question now that everything has already pumped quite a significant amount. And I just hold coins mostly. If I'm buying new ones, it's mostly either really dumpy coins where it's like, you know, like a coin with a really small market cap, or I'm just buying coins that people recommend me. Like, for example, one of the newest ones is XEO, which I'm looking into right now. Like, those I might buy. Otherwise, I'm just doing updates on Patreon if I'm just thinking of buying a completely new coin. If I'm thinking about it, I'll tell. If I'm really going to buy it, I'll tell. But I don't really have too many gems that are kind of not already pumping up. I don't have any that are really undervalued still. Like, Veechin is a really big gem of mine. BNB was a really big gem. ADA was a really big gem, but they've all pumped already a little bit. XRP is the only kind of horse that's kind of lacking around that's still not at the full potential. And XRP, I guess, is my, in terms of money, not necessarily biggest bet, but it's like my biggest little deer. Like, I'm just waiting for it to just pop off, go crazy. And I'm waiting for a big pop off. Barry McCookiner says, I like that. I was like, that's not correct, but I like that name, brother. I like that. I like that a lot. You guys got the joke? Yeah. I was like, that is I didn't want to offend him, like, with the last name. I hope that's not your real name. If it is, I'm so sorry, but Gary Gosno. I don't think that's a funny one, but the last one is. It's also, I saw the 5 and I was like, I'll finally be able to afford spinner hubcaps. I don't know what that is for my trailer house. Also, it burns when I like the name, though. I like that. I like that very much. XRP unicorn? Somebody says I made 500 overnight. Very nice, man. If you're not America, look at Proppy on Huobi. We recommend Googling where to get coins from your country. Google coin trading X country. Yeah, if you want to buy some sort of coin, I would just recommend going to Google and quickly typing in where to buy, for example, XRP Philippines, or where to buy XRP Texas. That will definitely do the job for you. If you want to know if a website is legit, come check back, all right? You can always ask in the chat box to say if people are using that exchange already, but to ask where you can buy it, that might not be handy because people don't know about your specific region, most likely. But Uphold, Kraken, bitrue, stuff like that. If you're wondering whether or not you should buy XRP, check this video out and then come back to me, all right? Check this video out. I recommend to do that real quick. Will correction happen watching from Philippines? A correction might happen. It might definitely so. But you know our strategy, right? You know the strategy already that we're going to be putting in place. A correction would most likely at maximum be to right around this area here. About $1.17, this area. Or maybe 18. Coinbase relisting XRP tomorrow. Please discuss if yes. I don't think so, my buddy. If Coinbase was relisting tomorrow, you'd see the price just skyrocket to another dimension. So I don't believe so. Coinbase XRP. I think you're misinformed, my dearest man. You mean Coinbase IPO tomorrow? That is what you mean, I think. Coinbase is an IPO tomorrow. That is what you might be mixed up with here a little bit. Give a shout out, Dusty, watching from Philippines. Man, the people from the Philippines are going crazy. There's a lot of people in the XP community from the Philippines, man. All love to every single buddy over there. I always see the support. You guys are amazing. I mean, every place is amazing, to be completely honest. Hey, we're almost at 1,500 likes, guys. Make sure you smash that like button real quick. And let's see. Right now, we're at 1,400. If we're going back to 1,400, we know something is going on. Because I've said it before, I think they're doing something with these likes on YouTube. Same thing for the subscriptions. If if I go back and look at the video like 30 minutes, you'll see the likes are like 100 less or something like that. And the subscribers too, they just fall off like crazy. And I think it might have something to do with spam prevention, but it might also be something against YouTube's policy for crypto things, that they might be a little bit afraid that people just, that they're scams or something like that. I'm not exactly sure, but it's odd. Because right now we're almost at 88.2 thousand subscribers. If I come look back in about an hour, there'll be like 100 or 150 that have been taken off. If I didn't do anything, I didn't post anything new. Would XRP go up more like crazy? I believe so. I believe $2 is still in the pipeline. Let's quickly check over some things on Twitter. Let's see if we found something. Maybe you got a notification real quick. Let's quickly see. I would like to see $10 before the September. I think this bull run will end September, October. Bitcoin in September. Alts will follow the next month. It will all end, all part of the cycle. I would say the cycle basically looks like Bitcoin just keep making higher lows. That's what we want to see. And altcoins hopefully just outperforming it until a certain point, right? We don't know exactly, we don't know exactly when it's going to be, but at one point or another, it'll most likely just turn around, which Bitcoin will start first, and then altcoins will follow suit. XRP, on the other hand, I don't think it's going to be completely uncorrelated to Bitcoin, because I know it's still in kind of its infancy stage. XRP is not mainly adopted just quite yet. There's still the lawsuit going on, but I can tell you guys all, if the lawsuit gets fixed while Bitcoin is going down, the price will still just zoot to a new dimension. So I'm not really worried too much about that. I'm not really too worried that that XRP is not going to pump anymore to X amount of dollars. And that's also the thing, guys. If you're asking me if you should buy, the only question you should have is, how do I maximize my gains? It's not the question of should you buy, because once more, I've told you, I think the lawsuit is going to be fixed, and the XP price will do really, really properly if it gets fixed. So that's my answer to your question. This guy was right. Let's see. Expected. Damn, Kenny. Damn, he said. Let's quickly see. This is 14 hours ago. This was at 12 a.m. my time. He said expected bull run in 2 hours at 2 a.m. What was that? Let's quickly see. That's pretty funny. Guys, there's still 2,600 people watching. No way. That is crazy. You guys are, oh my, what are you guys watching from? I see Philippines, I see Texas. You guys are going nuts on this channel, man. Oh, the support has been overwhelming. I can't even. Sorry, I had to go for an hourly. He said at about 12 a.m. last night. Right now it is, so that was right around, he said that here was going to pump. Like right around 3. He was really right on that one. He was really correct. Holy smokes. I got to retweet him then. He was right. Let's put it over like that. Philippines, Australia, Holland, Turkey, Azerbaijan. That's the first time I've ever seen somebody say that. Finland, Ireland, Malaysia, Bahamas, South Africa, Australia. Australia is really representing today, huh? I think that might be because right now a lot of Americans are still asleep. It's like it's 3 p.m. my time, but you know, for Americans this is like early. And also people have to go to work and stuff like that, right? Often I stream when it's really kind of late in the night. And that might be why there's a lot more Australians right now, because it's a little bit, nobody's, I don't know nobody, but a lot of people aren't working. Because Australia right now is representing like crazy. And that usually isn't the case. Normally, America's always winning. Somebody says Jupiter. Nice. Norway, Philippines, Malaysia, Australia, Netherlands, Philippines, Thailand, UK, England, Rotterdam, Canada, New Jersey, Atlanta, Norway, Finland, Tunisia, Brooklyn, yeah, Wuhan, Philippines, hey, Korea. All right, we got a ton of people. Damn, guys. Portugal. Spain. Okay, so Europe is also here representing, huh? Yeah, we got a lot of people from the Netherlands. The local homies. If you're from the Netherlands and you haven't pressed the like button, yeah, we ain't friends no more, man. You cannot not support your homie like that. Same thing for Philippines. We got a bond now going on. Let me see. Haha, Earth. Yep. I mean, I'm not sure where you guys are. Some people might be from Mars here in this chat because you guys are nuts. Let's go. He said go dislike. There's been 1,200 people who've disliked this video in the meantime. Holy smokes. Once more, I'm not saying you should do that. Please, guys, do not think I'm that type of guy. But I do like updating myself, though. Because the views are still skyrocketing as well, huh? No, not anymore. Yeah, it's now a 1-to-1 ratio. No way. That is insane. That is pretty scary. How high will XP reach? I mean, how high do you consider to be the moon? Because the moon is where we're about to go. Yeah. If you're wondering if you should should buy XRP. Check this video out. It's on my channel 15 hours ago. I think that's most of what I needed to say. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you press the like button and subscribe. And my Patreon over on here is something you might want to check out too. This might be something you want. I don't know if you want to, but this might be something you want. Guys, there's also going to be another video coming out pretty soon here because I got some fun stuff to talk about. But I'm going to do it in a video so a lot of people don't miss it. Like in this case here, if we're going to talk about it now, a lot of people won't see it anymore because we're already like an hour and a half into the live stream. So that wouldn't be too smart. I should do it when yeah, but that's gonna be in a little bit. What else what do you guys want to talk about? XP predictions, we already have those. The predictions are as follows. We are expecting $2.10 per XRP in the near future. Why? We got another important lawsuit day coming up the 19th and the 22nd. We are expecting it to kind of pump until the 20th, unless we're correcting right now to, again, about a 30-35%. But that is kind of more unlikely to happen, though, since we're really in a kind of a bullish little period right now, in a bullish little zone. And since lawsuit days just keep popping up here for the next couple of days, it's just going to be looking bullish, I kind of think. Up to the 22nd, up to the 20th, I mean. Then the 20th to maybe like the 22nd, the price might fall down a little bit again because people are anticipating the 22nd to be a motion to strike by the SEC, which might be a negative thing in regards to the lawsuit. And then from the 22nd on forward, since this is going to be a really nice day, a positive day, we're mostly going to zoot from there on forward. Guys, the moon is imminent. There's almost no way that this can go wrong. At least in my opinion, there isn't. The moon is coming. Moon is coming, boys. The video just says, be careful with volatility. Okay, so the video's not even that bad then, huh? Hey, Great Oaks from Little Acorn says, thanks for stream. Got it yesterday. Thoughts on H-bar. H-bar is definitely a hold of mine. I wouldn't say it's one of the bigger ones, but it's because from a fundamental perspective, possibly, that I do want to keep holding it, you know, throughout the road. But H-bar is a big crypto hold. Look at that, by the way. Look at the crypto market cap right now, pumping through the roof. 2.1 trillion. Let's type in H-bar for you. Is H-bar pumping right now as well? No, it's doing okay. It's the 1 hour. Okay, so H-bar is not pumping like crazy. I do have it though, if you're wondering. I am bullish on that one. Not one of my bigger holds though, but it's a hold. I do think there's a lot of potential in that one, to be honest. Yes, Hedera Hashgraph. What do you think about XLM? XLM is okay. I mean, it's kind of like XRP, XLM. Yeah, it's basically, from the technological perspective, it's really kind of the same. But XRP just has a better spin on it right now and has better partnerships, in my opinion, for the bigger picture, for the bigger banks. And XLM is kind of P2P. Chris Wood says, Lark's video isn't that bad, just bearish. All right, okay. I'll watch it after the stream a little bit. I'll just quickly check out, because a lot of people are really angry with it. Vet, VeChain, pretty big hold of mine. Pretty big hold. I'm really happy about that one as well. Talk about FLR, Dusty. It's $2. Is it $2 right now? Okay, let me ask you like that. Are you guys bullish on Flare, which is given for free to everybody who held XRP on December 12th? Are you guys bullish on that one? FLR right now is at about $1.93. I wanted to make a video about it yesterday night when it was about $1.88. I have it open still, but I was a little bit too late, I guess. Here it is. XRP at about $1.93. I think it maximum hit like $2 on Korean exchanges, huh? It's also pretty damn crazy. Flare about $1.93. This, by the way, is not the real Flare. It's just an IOU from bitrue. Flare has not been out just quite yet. It's going to be coming out, though, pretty soon. What time is this lawsuit? There is no lawsuit today. There is no hearing anytime soon. We got the motion to intervene coming up the 19th. That might be pretty cool. But that is also not there's no specific hour for that. We're going to have to wait for it to come out. And yes, the big difference between XLM is XRP is for the big guys, the big bangs basically, and XLM is mostly for the small P2P type of situations. Okay, I'm seeing people. Oh, Chris Atwood is. Some people are also saying it on Patreon. Just explain to me how. Wait, somebody asks, what's up, Dusty? I recently got some excellent airdrop notification in my Ledger wallet. Do you have any idea about this? No, I do not. The graph? Hold. So, I just want to tell you guys a quick little story. If the coin is related to Coinbase Ventures, Winklevoss type of ventures, any venture like that, it's almost always a big hold because they know what they're buying, right? And they know they can promote it by, for example, a listing on one of their exchanges. So I always like to have those. The okay, I'll post the link of the video I said you should watch. Is this one? I'll post it. Name, last name. I will check it out on Binance Chain and Ethereum. Check it out. I will do that, okay? I don't know why you keep asking for it. I'm not sure if that's like your project or something like that, but I will check it out for you. I will do that then. Because you have requested now 3 times, so I will check it out. And I'll also put up a link to Patreon, I guess. So the Patreon one's more, if you want to know my portfolio and stuff like that, that's in there if you wanted to. All right, XP1, oh, look at that. That is looking amazing, huh? $1.80 over on Lifecoin Watch like that. This makes you think about some stuff, huh? It really makes you think about some stuff. Ooh, I almost forgot about it. Man, I think a lot of you guys are sleeping on my second channel called 5 Minute Crypto. If you haven't subscribed to this one just yet, ooh, it's definitely worth the subscription. I'm going to say that. I don't say that too often. It's worth the subscription because it got good videos on there. I even have another video planned. It's going to be coming out. There's a lot of cool stuff on this one. And it's basically also going to act as a Dusty BC backup for what if something happens to my channel here. You guys will have something to still kind of be connected to me then. 1 minute chart crawling back up. All right, let's quickly see. Somebody says 1 minute chart is going crazy. Let's see that for ourselves. Okay, yeah, we're coming back up a little bit. We made a dippy at about 166. Right now we're coming and crawling back up to about 169. Are you Dutch? Maybe. Flare will do an airdrop on Flare tokens. Read in an article. Yes, if you are an XP holder before December 12th, you get FLR for free. An exactly 1-to-1 ratio for the amount of XP that you had. Can you also block the John Paul? Morgan? Can you block John Paul? That's just a scammer, I think. There's a ton of freaking... How can people even scam in the freaking live stream like that? What are they doing? What are they doing? There's even sometimes Dusty BC fakes coming. Oh, okay. You sure? Oh, no. Okay, Morgan. Maybe not. Okay. Maybe don't ban John Paul then. Yeah, I don't mess around with that, John. If anybody puts investment, anything like that, it's you're out of there. So please don't mess around with that type of stuff. I ban almost every single person who ever puts anything like that in the comments. So if you try that, there's a good chance you'll never get to comment again on the channel. I mean, if you really want to, you can still ban them. I don't care. You shouldn't joke around with the investment type of stuff. It's not fun. Don't try that. Please, I'm too sensitive with all these scammers. Please. So, yeah, don't joke with that type of stuff. People are ban John. No, petition to do it. I like that. Thank you, Dusty, all the way from Sydney, Australia. You're a champion, mate. Thanks for all the updates. Thank you so much for sticking around, man. Yeah, John, I do get the joke. I do get it. But the thing is, it's difficult because I don't really read the name too much because the name is always something different. So I just read the use investment service, and then I'm like, oh, okay, ban. You know, so I'm just saying, be careful because otherwise you might get banned. You can't comment anymore. So that was just a little warning to you as well. Advice from margin traders, beginners as well. I would say just watch a lot of videos. Watch a lot of videos is really the biggest advice. You can buy a course, you don't need it though. You can watch a lot of videos. If you just watch the videos, and what type of videos? Well, just type it in. Type exactly what you're looking for, and you'll find it. And margin trading will always be a thing of practice is going to make king. And even then, even if you practice for years, you still might always lose money throughout the whole road. So just be careful of that. But It's definitely something you need to just really educate yourself with for a little while first. I would recommend personally before doing any of it. What, someone says, should I buy XP right now or wait if it goes down a little? All right, so once more, I'll refer to the video right here. If you're wanting to know if you should buy XP or not, check this video out. This is not financial advice, but this might help you out with your whole journey. Because I cannot tell if you should buy or sell. I can only tell you. Right now, the price might look expensive, but it's expensive to where it was a couple of days ago. It's not expensive for where it's about to be freaking heading. And you guys know it. Ooh, maybe in this stream, guys, we can actually hit 2,000 likes. That is going to be the first time in freaking months that we've hit it's going to be the first time in a very long time that we hit 2,000 likes. That is crazy. So everybody who hasn't done it yet, make sure you press that like button. Would be insane. Just quickly saying that. It would be insane. We've only hit the 2,000 mark once in our big stream from 5,000 for 5 hours a couple weeks ago, or a couple days ago, like a week ago or so. Then we hit 4,000 likes. But this one, I think we can hit 2,000. That would be crazy. Already done? Yeah. Too bad you can't do it twice. That would have been amazing. No, yeah. Dusty, marry my sister, please. I mean, if you throw up a proposal. No, just kidding. Hang in there a little bit longer, and 2K will come to you. Man, you know what? I mean, 2K likes is first. 2K XRP is the next one. Ooh, maybe. Do you do live trading videos? They'll come out soon. I have something coming up I'll do it soon. Yes, we'll do it soon. I think. So hopefully we can do some live trading pretty soon here. Maybe from a couple of days on forward, we might actually be doing that. So make sure you press the freaking subscribe button if you're excited for that type of stuff, man. There's going to be so much coming out, guys. I want to support you in any way, shape, or form I can. That's why always, if you have a request, if you think, hey, Dusty, please cover this on your channel. Hey, Dusty, please this, that, always comment it down below. I try to read every single comment. I also have one person going through every single comment and telling me what's going on. So just always try to comment. I'll get to it, all right? I'll get to it. I can't, of course, cover every single point you guys talk about, but I try my best, all right? I try my best. Because in the end, we're all in this crypto journey together. It's not a one-on-one game, no. We're all in it together. The only thing you're doing for yourself is making the real money. You should not, I don't say you should share it with people like that. Maybe with your own people. Not just like, you guys know what I'm saying. Like you shouldn't not sell because some people told you so. But in the end, we're all on this whole road here together. We're hoping it's going to go big. Yeah. Live stream called Having a Drink with Dusty after it hits $2. Yeah, man. Yeah. Man, I want to get some cool interviews going as well in live pretty soon, all right? There's so many people watching right now. I'm just so amazed. I'm so grateful for everybody coming in, tuning in. There's 2,000 of you motherfreakers in here. Just amazing, everybody, man. I'm just saying you one thing. Surely I have no more mortgage. Let's see, man. XRP, let's go. Let's hope it's going to go to the freaking moon, everybody. I'm so freaking excited for this. Yeah. Guys, we're almost at 8. Oh, the subscribers are going so crazy too. We're almost at 88.5K. What happened to the lawsuit case? So yesterday we had the motion to dismiss posted by Finn in Law. And it was basically just Ripple's, Brad Gallagher, Chris Larson saying, hey, we want to dismiss the motion against us. And we're still waiting for an update from, I don't know, a lawyer or something like that to actually notify us with what exactly is going on. Gus G is back in the chat again. Hey, what's up, Gus? I'm waiting for the correction to buy more. All right, that's not a bad thing once more. I mean, you know my strategy, so. Does anybody else sing Pump It Up in Dusty's voice throughout the day? Do people do that? That would be a little bit odd. What's up? Let's go pump. What's up? What's up? Yeah, we've hit our target, though. When did we start streaming? Like, maybe like, I don't know. We started streaming and we hit the mark pretty soon afterwards. I still expect, guys, to hit the moon any one of these days. $2.10 is my area for pretty soon here, a couple of days more. But maybe I should just be more conservative. Maybe I should just do it in 20-cent intervals. So saying 190 is first. Maybe I should do it like that. Because $2.10 is my next target, but it might take a little bit to go before we get there. It might be, what if it's going to be the 19th when the second lawsuit part is in? Notice me, Dusty. Hi, Zach. Hi, Zach Ishak. I just told you, I try to read everything, guys. I notice you. The only thing is, the people who comment more, I will remember your name. And then every time I stream, I'm just like, hey, I remember that name now. New all-time high, Dusty gonna release Pump It Up music video. Not a Pump It Up music video, but a Pump It Up. I'll make a Pump It Up song. If it hits all-time high within a couple of weeks, I'll make a Pump It Up song, all right? I'll do that. And I might walk around the street in underpants for fun. Can you look at ZLQZAA? We already did that a little bit earlier. Yeah, Tristan, I know you're I know you're here every day. I'll also make you a moderator because I know you're here every single I see you all the time as well, Tristan. Let me make you a mod. I know you got me as well. I'll hit Ultimate, we need a face reveal. Definitely not. Ultimate is definitely not good enough for that. Hoe gaat het, brother? Let's go. Yeah, this is the first time we hit 2K likes in a very, very good while here. That is insane, guys. Pavon says, Dusty, talk to me, bruh. I like that. Should I sell whenever gain or should I wait? That is all up to you. Right? I'm not really into selling too much. I like more the buying part of things because I know where we're about to head. And selling might be a big mistake, might be a really good thing. It's always difficult to say. T-Rex is raising. Is T-Rex going crazy? Yeah, T-Rex is also pumping up right now. Damn. You got to pump it up. Yeah, T-Rex is so odd. In terms of price, it's so odd how this one went. But that's also why I'm saying BTT, Bitcoin token, might also go pretty damn crazy in the near future here because of the whole Tron ordeal. What's going on with Holo? Man, I'm really excited about Holo, but I don't know exactly why they just keep coming down. But I'm just DCAing. I'm just happy with that and just buying more. I know Holo's longer term. At least I have faith in that one. 135K per XRP? Maybe in a... I made the video about it yesterday, huh? All right. Dusty, what's your prediction about the current pump trend? I just gave that like 5 minutes ago. But Bitcoin is breaking out a little bit. I guess that's also why XRP is now maybe not going at ultimate pace. Because Bitcoin is breaking out a little bit, going completely crazy. How much did that one up for? Bitcoin went up about 5.5% up in just a very short amount of time. What's the predicted high today? We were actually expecting $1.70 and it happened. We actually hit 174-ish. So I would say, yeah, that was basically what we were waiting for. We were hoping for 170 and that got hit like that. Right now, our newer targets are at around the $2.10 area, and I would say $1.90 would be like a maybe an intermediary target. Because we've kind of had targets every 20 to 30 cents. So maybe we should just have it like at $1.90, something like that. Just make it realistic in the short term. This one, I would say, again, we have two more important dates coming up, the 19th and the 22nd. So, yeah, we might get something going around those dates. Do you think there's going to be a retracement in a few days? I hope so. That would make me buy some more, so I hope so sincerely, but I don't know. Dusty, when do we get our Flare token? Maybe in a month, maybe a month or two. Maybe this month, maybe next month, maybe in a month or two. It's going to be really difficult to say. I don't know. And that's going to be only 50% of your Flare, by the way, not everything. Need to break $2? I don't think $2 is going to be too big of a hassle, to be honest. I think we're going to just zoot past $2 to $2.10. Because people use these Fibonacci retracement levels as their Bible. The traders do sometimes. Let's see if Gary Gensler gets confirmed. When is that, Tristan? I think it's in maybe 7 hours from now or something like that. Like pretty late. Guys, we're almost at 88.5K subs. If you haven't done so already, make sure you press the subscribe button. Dusty would win you versus BC Backer in a fight. Hey, this guy doesn't stand a chance. I'm taller than him. I beat him up. No, I have no clue. I don't know. I just woke up. Lawsuit news. We got some lawsuit news on yesterday about the motion to dismiss. New lawsuit news is going to be coming out the 19th and then the 22nd. Gensler pump. Let me quickly see what Tristan is saying. Do you know, Tristan, when the hearing on the Senate is going back up again? I think a couple of hours, but I don't know what the exact time is. James Hamilton says, if you're asking if you should sell, you should ask yourself, what do I need to buy? If you need food or a car, sell. If you don't, hold it. Well, it depends on what type of car you're going to buy. If you're going to buy yourself a Lamborghini, might not be smart to do that right now. With your XRP, it's so cheap, but maybe. Tristan says, yeah, I think Gensler might be in today unless they push it back again. I don't think so. He is second on the list, and those things last for like, I don't know, 7 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours sometimes as well. But let's say it's going to last for a couple of hours. Well, it would be kind of strange if they couldn't get to the second person within all those hours, right? So it's going to be quite a lot, but hopefully today is going to get confirmed then. It could be good, could be bad. We don't know. When final lawsuit date? We don't have that. You trading or hodl? I do both. But I don't like to talk about the trading too much here because people can't take that too much. They just think, Dusty, you ever sold XRP? You're not. I don't like you anymore because you've ever sold XRP in your life. Ooh. So I'm being really cautious with that. I just mostly tell you guys when I just buy more for the hodl. I'd rather get no Lambo but an island. Okay. Guys, what is your XRP target prediction to just make your dreams come true? What is the XRP price that you want? Like, really want, that you're waiting for, basically? Do you have any of that? I don't personally have it, though. I mean, if it goes to $10, I probably wouldn't even sell. Maybe a little bit, but I wouldn't even sell that much. It's really once it hits some really crazy price that I would get really crazy excited. But like right now, I'm not even. $2 is just a start. I know where we're headed. Okay. Ooh. Somebody says 50K. Okay, that's interesting. That is definitely positive. Optimistic. You really want 50 million a piece. Okay, you're trolling me a little bit. I think the majority of people are actually saying between 10 and $50. No, 10 and $100. 10 is the most one, and they see $100 a lot as well. Yeah, so it's basically in increments of 10. So the times 10. So it's basically 10, 100, and $1,000 are the most notable ones. Okay, so then would you guys sell, like, let's say, half of your XRP once it hits $10? Dude, I've quadrupled my money in a month. I'm pretty happy. Yeah, Trent Born. I would say I'm pretty happy with that too. I mean, quadrupling your money is always nice. But we know crypto, yeah, quadrupling is just the start of something, man. We know where it's about to go. People have quadrupled thousandth their money. I don't even know what to say, like 43,000 times their money. 50K, and I'll take all your subscribers out to dinner on my yacht. Yeah, I get that, Flexo, and I would maybe do the same thing. If we had 50,000 per thing, I'll give you all. I might give everybody 50,000. I don't care maybe anymore. I'm here to ruin the averages. What? Yeah, maybe. If you aren't yet, make sure you subscribe to 5 Minute Crypto 2. It's my second channel. It's worth. There's no ads on this channel, by the way. There's not a single advertisement on this entire channel. Not a single one. Why? Because I don't know. I thought maybe that would be a cool thing if I have a channel without ads just for fun. But maybe I should just put like an ad on at the start because I don't think people care too much about it. But I have 0 ads on any of these videos. And Patreon, by the way, you guys know what it is about. Still have 4 more places to go. We might increase the number soon. I'm not sure about that. You guys know what Patreon is for. It's if you want to know what my portfolio is looking like, when I'm buying some coins and what coins I'm buying, stuff like that. Let's quickly refresh this one once more. I gotta quickly check. Yeah, it now officially has more dislikes than likes. People are going crazy on this video, huh? I was wrong all along, but I'm right now. I've been wrong about everything up to this point, but you should follow my advice. Okay, let's skip it. I mean, I don't want to comment too much about it. It's just an interesting situation. Okay, you guys all have some crazy price predictions out there, man. AG says, monetize that shit. We got ad blockers anyway. Hey, you guys are real supporters, man, AG. You guys are real supporters. I see you. All right. Nice. Very nice. Geometric says he replied to that video. Was that you? I don't see in the little list right here. Yeah, I would also agree with this one. We understand the risks, Lark, but the potential rewards are far greater. I always make this risk to reward analogy, right? Where I say, your risk is basically default, which has a, I don't know, let's say a 20% chance of occurring where Ripple loses the lawsuit. Default is even extreme, more extreme than is possible. And the upside is basically Ripple wins the lawsuit, which is XRP times 8. Right now, though, I said that like when it was 50 cents, that it's going to be times 10 or times 12. Right now, we're already at $1, almost $2. So it might be a little bit more difficult to say that it's going to go times 10 or 15. But the same point still applies. If we're going to go times 8, for example, or times 5, times 3 even, times 3 here, and the default risk is that we'll go to 20%, and the winning chance is like 80%. Yeah, then risk to reward, if you do your probability right, or your calculation right, it's going to be a win. You should take the bet. Don't buy XRP. Don't mind my own XRP bag. I have to, though. State of XRP fudders holding a bag just in case. Yeah, I see that. Lark deleted my comments on his vid. I was critical of his title and content in that one. Yeah, maybe. I don't know about that, man. Once more, I'm going to have to watch it myself to make a good conclusion. Some people said on Patreon that it's not that bad. It's just kind of a saying, just talking about the risks and saying he was wrong about XRP before. I don't know. People can make mistakes, right? There's a ton of XRP haters who have actually been wrong in the past. So, I mean, yeah. 250K subs for phase reveal? Definitely not. We'll see what we do, all right? But 250K, I think, let's see here on Sociably. I don't know how long it would take to get to 250K. I think there might be another like whole 1.5 year or so if we ever get there. You guys know it. So that would take about 1.5 year, it says here, before we get there. Here it says 250K in exactly, yeah, about 380 days from now. Like 1 year and a little bit. 1 year, 2 months. 1 year, 1 month. 1 year, 1 month. Maybe I would change my mind by then. Could be. Who knows? What do you think about RSR? I do hold a little bit, but I haven't really updated myself with it too much. Yeah. I was still checking. Do you guys think... We haven't... Oh, guys. We have almost hit 2,000 likes. We have almost hit that. And we're almost at 88.5K subs, guys. This is so crazy. You guys are so nuts. I can't imagine. You guys are amazing. Every single one of you. Every single one of you. You have my dearest freaking thanks or something like that. Hey, Dusty, do you think XP will go by $100 end of this month? Let me not answer that one. That sounds a little bit interesting. $100 by the end of the month. That is very optimistic. That is very optimistic to say the least. Yes, guys, we hit 2,000 likes. Woo! Little thank you all. Just quickly saying thank you. Dusty, come to Africa, bro. I'm coming to South Africa pretty soon. So we're going to Dubai first, I think, and then South Africa just for a little bit. We're going to get some meetups going maybe as well for the XP community. Maybe a couple of cool guys need to just chill on. I know XP hasn't hit the moon yet, and some people are not yet celebrating, but I mean, a lot of us are really happy, right? That this is all going along. Joshua says 250 mil XRP for phase reveal. Yeah. Good work on the likes, y'all. Yes. Good job, everybody. Good job, everybody. Zimbabwe too? Ah, man. Maybe. Damn. Yeah. Wow, man. I'm so happy, man. This day has been so good. XP hit $1.70. We've been Gucci. I'm kind of waiting for another pump here to happen still. I mean, it can definitely happen in the really short term, but in a different end, I'm like, maybe we should just let it cool down now. Be happy that we already got this pump to about 173 here. We caught it live. We're happy about it, and then maybe just kind of chill out from here. Hazik says, I hope it reached $100. I want to buy my mom. What was it now? I want to buy my mom. Let's go on. Let me see. Oh, I can't see it anymore. I don't know what it was then. Can buy me a house with recent XP gains. That's life-changing, but I ain't selling one under $100. If you can already buy a house with your gains right now, you're not selling till 100? Hey, you're crazy like that, man. Damn, that's a lot of gains right there. You got to pump it up. You got to know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. You got to know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Man, yeah, literally. I might, once it hits all time, I might get a song like that going. I think I could do that. I think that would be pretty fun. If I make $1 million, I'm gonna buy a house in Thailand, no doubt. All right, that's very nice to hear, Frederick. I hope you make it, man. I hope you make it. If Coinbase relist might cause sell-off, people taking profits. I don't know about that. I don't think so. I think the hype on its own will actually do it too much good. I don't think people are gonna be interested in selling. I don't think so, man. There would be a ton of. I keep telling people there would be a ton of people just buying this at 2,000. There'll be a ton of people buying this at Oh, sorry, not 2,000. Oh, I just saw somebody say 2,000. Sorry. There'll be a ton of people buying this at all-time high. A ton of people buying it at $5. A ton of people buying it at 10. Even I think 20. People just keep buying it. So I'm not too worried about all of that. I'm literally not interested in selling XRP. I don't know. Maybe I'm stupid. Don't get me wrong. It could be that I'm just dumb, but I do not think selling XRP is a smart plan. Regardless of the recent gains, even if I made 15 times my money just now because we went from 11 cents to this, I don't care. We're gonna go all the way down, all the way up, or nothing. That's the system. That's the way we go about it. All the way or nothing. We ain't half-assing nothing like that, guys. I don't care for that. We are not half-assing nothing. We're going all the way or nothing, as I just said. You got to pump it up. You got to. Dusty, come to South Africa. Make us pump. Yeah, I'll be heading over there at one point. You got to pump it up. You got to know, pump it up. Yeah, we're pumping a little bit, boys. Pumping a little bit again. We're above $1.70 once more. I keep feeling like an announcer like that, like the guy over at the auction. And we hit 170, 174.58, and we're going to go to 169 or 171, 171.455. Let's meet in Dubai. We might do that, Rich, on paper. We might do that. I'm coming there, I think, next month, maybe this month even. XP pump because you're saying? Maybe it does, man. Maybe every time we sing, you got to pump it up, you got to know, pump. It just all of a sudden goes, it just sends itself. That's pretty funny. It's don't you know, pump it up. You're seeing FLR right now too, right? Yeah, I'm seeing it's almost at $2 right now. But I mean, FLR is like a secondary type of thing. I don't really have much FLR because it's on bitrue, and most of my FLR has not been out there because it's only the IOU, right? Once the real FLR is out there, yeah, we might be discussing some more things. VChain check, bro. Then I'll give you 1,000 likes from Vietnam. You're gonna give me 1,000 likes on your own. You're gonna go across the street just telling everybody to check out my channel then? How are you gonna do that? VChain, I've told you, I'm really bullish on VChain. But for VChain, it's a little bit difficult for me because it's been such a huge gaining experience here. But look at that. Oh, it's really pumping up now, huh? That's what you meant. It's really going crazy right now. Yeah, I think a lot of altcoins are pumping right now because Bitcoin has shown some strength. Bitcoin is correcting now just a little bit again. And now the coins are following. Yes, you see. Yes, sir. Yes, sirski. That's what we're seeing. Chill with the spamming. Yeah, we have slow mode on though. All right, guys. We need 80 more subscribers to get to 88.5 thousand. If you're still watching and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so. All right, make sure you do so. I post XRP updates, but all crypto updates every single day. And today's going to be a big day. A lot of cool stuff coming up, all right? So stick around. Stay tuned. It's going to be a lot of cool stuff coming up. Near of Tome, Dusty hit 90K subs. Man, hopefully soon, man. Hopefully soon. Do you think $100 per XRP is possible? I've told you already. I've told you if I think $100 per XRP is possible. I've told you. You should already know. Hey, guys, in about, I think... I'm gonna be recording another video just now. It's gonna be coming out like pretty soon after this live stream, not instantly like sometimes, but pretty soon after this. So stick around to the channel. There's going to be a video within 1 hour. All right, and you gotta watch it. You gotta watch it most likely. It's gonna be another important one, I think. It's gonna be a lot of cool information that you might want to have. Also, guys, you don't have to, but you can check out Patreon. There's a link down below. It's basically just my portfolio and stuff like that. There's a couple spots remaining, and then it'll be full for a little while. Having said that, I just want to quickly thank you, every single one, for just stopping by. You guys are all amazing, so crazy. It's so crazy to see you guys all come on. This is my second channel, if you were wondering. It's maybe worth it to check it out too. Could be. I don't know. I think it is, but maybe it isn't to you. Just check it out. This is my Twitter if you want updates as well. But most importantly, just subscribe to the channel so you're notified every time I upload another update. And the video that's coming out in 1 hour, there's going to be no notification, all right? There's not going to be a notification. So you have to stick around my channel. You have to make sure you're subscribed to it and stick around because this is about to be another bang, all right? We got a ton of cool videos coming up here today. Oh, maybe we shouldn't go because it's freaking pumping again, boys. Oh my God, this is such a dubio. No way. No way. Damn it, guys. Let's pump it up a little bit again. No way. What if it's all of a sudden going to go to like just crazy and they go offline? That's the freaking difficult parts, guys. Manders, just give you a shout out on Twitter and the rest of the XP community do for us. I thank you so much, Manders. Thank you. Yeah, what if we just pump past it again? It could be, guys. And I just close the live stream then. Oh, that would be kind of sad, but I have to make that video, and I have to prepare for it a little bit, so I can't live stream it yet. So I have to prepare for it a little bit. Dusty, what's your biggest fear? What is define fear? I don't have that. Don't go offline. We have to, man. We have to prepare the video coming up. But look at the price, though. Look at the price. It's coming back above $1.70 again. No way. Ooh. This is really difficult one, guys. This is really a difficult one. Oh, this is really crazy. All right, let's see, though. Maybe if we hit 88.5K subs right now, we have 30 more to go. Maybe then we should. Are you guys still watching this? How are you guys enjoying your day? For me right now, it's about 3:30 p.m. I'm enjoying my day like crazy, but man, it's been a crazy day. This is a trading view of this website. And yes, XP is still at about $1.70. Still looks like we're going back up there. Dusty, can't you multitask? Well, I have to do the preparing on the computer, so I mean, I don't know what to do. I mean, I could look up things on the computer. I mean, that is something I could do, I guess, but you just woke up? That is crazy. I don't know what area you're in. That might be crazy. That might be okay. Right now, everything is just going crazy, guys. I'm really still a little bit amazed with everything that's going on. Once more, thank you so much for the support, everybody. You guys are nuts. In a positive way. In the most positive way possible. By the way. No disrespect meant. Okay, we're coming back down a little bit again. Dusty, what VChains suffer from proof? What? I don't get your question too much. Ooh, we have 21 more subscribers to go, guys, and then we're at 88.5K. Wow, you guys are so crazy. Yeah, and Rui Costa says here, 1 minute of silence for all the XP haters. We got to give it to them, guys. Ray Wise says, your scene got me hyped. New sub. Well, thank you so much, man. And also nice to hear that it's pumping you up, too. It's really nice. Yeah, it's really, I think it's pretty fun. All the people saying that the song is what they like. I could get it, you know, I might get the Pump It Up song going eventually. Once more, if it hits all-time high, I might make a cover on it. I'll get it fixed. I'm going to get DBC Common Police on it. We'll get it fixed, all right? If it hits all-time high, pretty soon here, we might get a Pump It Up song going, the Dusty BC version. What's the peak price for today? We don't have a peak price. We watch as we go. I would say it's all about from today to about next week. But we did a pretty crazy pump today, guys. Holy smokes. Man, you guys are amazing. Phase review at $50 per XP. Yeah, that's going to be fine, I think. If we hit $50 per XP, I'll show you, right? No worries about that. Oh, no worries about that, my brother. when we listen to USA, we see $10 plus. Yeah, that might also be so. That might actually happen as well. Hey, Rothbosch is still here, man. You gotta pump it up. Or he came back. Joseph T says, you people keep on asking, should I buy? Keep on asking that. Question and continue to be left is the dust. I made a video explaining if you should buy or not financial advice, but my kind of personal approach to these things, if you wanted to know about it. We have 8 more subscribers to go, everybody. And then we're at 88.5K. Ooh. I mean, it's not really a special number, but it's just kind of cool to see. You guys are all witnessing it with me as well. 6 more to go. 7 more to go. Somebody unsubscribed. 6 more to go. Hey, Dusty, how is your TikTok account doing? I'm not really too active on it. I don't personally like TikTok too much. I find it really cringe to make them. It's not my face or anything like that. It's just it's just the crypto updates, but it's really difficult for me to do it. But I'll get it fixed, right? I'll get it fixed. It's just I'm not that good at the. Oh, we have 1 more subscriber to go to get it 88.5K. 1 more sub. Who's gonna be the last one? Who's gonna be the last person to subscribe at 88.5 thousand? We have 88,499 right now. And you know my whole philosophy is buy and hold, buy and hold, buy and hold. I don't really care to buy XP a little bit too expensive. That's me. Why are you guys saying Julia is weird? Some guys see a female and they're all like, oh, hi Julia. Or is it a really famous person? I'm just missing it. Or what? They're just all saying, Julia, wow. People are simping like crazy in the chat box. I like that. That's funny. I like that. Look at flare price. Oh, we have it here at the top, 197 per FLR. But yeah, I don't know. I don't. This is an IOU. This doesn't represent anything what's going to happen to the real FLR price. But all right, it's pretty nice to see, I guess. I'll make an update on that soon as well today. All right, I got you guys, boys. Don't worry about it. I got you. You gotta pump it up. Jasper says +1 abonnee. Hey, there we go. We hit 88.5K subs, everybody. Little congratulations to the channel. Just all you guys are just amazing, man. Still delivering mail, Dusty. Oh, Woody coming back in, but with a bigger smile on my face. Very cool to hear, man. Woody is a real soldier. He told before that he's delivering mail while listening to these live streams. That is just so cool to hear. I just always have a real big amount of respect for people who, tune in quickly during their break or just come around real quick to say hi whilst they're still working. I really appreciate all of that. It's too crazy. Once more, just all the support is just unimaginable. Dusty, my dude. Hey, Digitally Bullish, thank you so much for the $2. Dusty, my dude. Nice profile picture, man. Digitally Bullish. Digitally Bullish. I like that name as well. It's really catchy. Currently at work listening, haha. Yeah, I get so many people saying that. They're saying like, I'm just working right now, man. I see a couple of people have been delivering mail. A lot of people just, I don't even know what people are working in. Programming, I see here on left and right. Yeah, that's also Tom here. Says, I'm programming at work and listening. That's all just crazy, man. I just appreciate that so much. It's also just for fun. Like, it's pretty cool. You got to pump it up. We're going to make it a song, guys. Do not worry. Digitally Blue says, your channel is always one of my favorites for the money you've helped me make to support my family. Once more, guys, I do not give financial advice, so please understand that that is not something I do. Yusuf here also says, I made money watching your video, 21K in 8 days. That's very nice to hear. But once more, none of my videos are financial advice. Everything you're doing is your own damn choice, all right? If you made money, that is you. That is your own choice. I can solely add in your research part, all right? Flexzone says, Dusty, my girl is jealous. I listen to you more than her. Okay, that might be a little bit of a problem right now, but it's pretty cool. Hey, Light, take away that XP amount. Please never put how much XP you have or ask how much is enough, because people might target you eventually. Maybe right now your XP amount is not that much, but maybe let's say, for example, it turns into the $100 that you predict. All of a sudden, it's a lot of money, and people might target you for it. Founders of Stadia said, am I the only one scared to have this much money, lol? I don't know how much money you have, to be honest, so... I mean... It's just scared to see that everything can kind of crumble just like that, right? Where you're at so much, we made so much gains in the last couple of days, and all of a sudden you're just seeing, for example, the price go back to $1. That's kind of something that people don't like to see, but I don't really mind it because I know where we're headed, right? Listening while in transit in Dubai and waiting for my flight back home. Once more, we're going to be in Dubai, I think, next month. Jay Valdez says, when XP takes a breath, how big of a breath do you think it will take? Much love, just to be following you for a while. Thanks for the content. My thoughts about this was, and Digitally Bullish says, thank you for the knowledge. My thoughts about that was we could see basically two big scenarios. One will be a small little correction. This is, again, if we correct, right? That is from the top, about a 15%er, because these are the two most known numbers in bigger bull runs, 15 and 30 to 33, 35, maybe 30, 35%. So that's from the top, let's say about 15% or so. It's basically against this level right here. You see this level? This is the one we could hit then as a point like that. This is a 1 minute chart. Don't take this too harshly, but it's just to give you guys some idea, right, to show you guys what's going on. The second one is most likely about a 30 to 35% correction, which would be to the, let's go to an hourly. Let's go auto. Zoom in. Okay, so the second one would be like from here, about 30 to 35% down to about this area right here. And the reason I'm saying that is because if you take a look back on a daily perspective to the 2017 Big Bull Run, let's quickly go back all the way there. I'll zoom out a little bit. We can get there faster. If you don't calculate these numbers for yourself, which I've done at the start of the stream, you'll notice that a lot of these are about 30 to 35% corrections. So it's quite logical that in a big bull run like that, the price is going to correct something like that. Let's see here. For example, this one is about 28%, something like that. This one, this one is about 31%. This one is a little bit more than that, I guess. 35%. And the last one is about 35%. You guys see what I'm trying to say? That is usually what happens. So that's what we're kind of waiting for, hoping for, because that would mean a good little entry for us. But I don't think it's going to go below $1 anymore anytime soon. But hey, that's just my own theory about it, right? In the end of things, we don't know for certain. All we can do is watch, wait, and see. But our prediction right now is correct, and we're waiting right now. I just don't think there's going to be a lot of resistance at $1 or $2. I think more so $2.10. But maybe intermediary might be $1.90 as a target that we should have as like a middle. Once more, it's going to be all the way up to the 19th, most likely bullish. Then the 22nd might be a little bit downwards. And then from the 22nd forward, I think we're going to be bullish once more. I do not have a prediction on market cap in 5 years. I don't have that. I don't know. With the 50 Norse Krön saying, holding XP has gained me 10K over these past weeks. Thank you for showing me the faith I had to have in this. Well, no, once more. Man, all I can do is just tell you what I think is going to happen. In the end, it's all you. It's all yourself making that decision to hold it through, to buy the coin, all that stuff. So just mostly think yourself. I only do a little bit of digging, a little bit of research. Yeah, 88.5 thousand subscribers. This is so crazy, man, guys. So crazy. Winston giving a little bit of advice to people in the chat box. And there's still the same people saying, what do you recommend to buy now or wait a dip? Man, once more, check out the video. That is that. Yeah. And like Lulu says, hide your blessings. Never put up how much XP you have. All right, please, guys. It's not a smart thing to do. Geometric says, Justin's going to hit 100K subs by the next week. If we check this, the metric here, it says we're going to hit 100K subs in 53 days. And this is already pretty soon. If you think about it, 53 days is not a lot. I was actually a little bit afraid that we're not going to hit it in 53 days. I thought maybe it's going to take like 100 days or so to get there. But maybe we can get there, guys. Maybe it's possible. Would be pretty cool. And the reason I actually want 100K is not because the number is so nothing like that. It's mostly because I can apply then for the little verification mark, and then less people will get scammed in the comment section. Because in the end, it's all about how many people are there to support you, how many people are with you. Because if there's 100,000 subs and nobody watches or something like that, that's the same thing as having 5,000 people with nobody watching. You know what I mean? Like, it's the subscriber count itself doesn't really matter too much. It's about the community that we're building here. The reason I'm saying subscribe is mostly just for people that so they know whenever I post something and they see it. Because the videos, it's news, right? So you want to watch them as soon as possible. So that's mostly it. In the end, the real count itself, I don't think matters too much. Maybe for other people, but no. Not really for me. Same thing for the likes. It's just so more people see the video, actually. In the end, the amount of likes, is it going to change my life? No, not at all. It's just for fun as well. How shall we meet in Dubai? Are you going there in particular, doing anything particular there? You'll see. Once I get it done, I'll announce it. I'll tell you. I'm not sure exactly how we're going to meet or how many people I will meet. I'm not sure. But I will meet a couple of people there. Of you. Hopefully. But yeah. Guys, I'm going to be recording another video here. Tune in, all right? Just stick around the channel. It's going to be uploaded within 1 hour. I'm just quickly really amazed that you guys all subscribe to the channel. We have 88.5 freaking thousand. Whew! And yeah, hopefully we're going to keep growing like that. It's going to be really insane. And we'll get another video coming in pretty soon here. We have a little pumpy candle going on here, a little couple. But I'm going to have to record that second video, all right? So there's a couple videos coming up. If you aren't subscribed yet, make sure you do so. And stick around the channel. There's a lot of cool stuff coming. Oh, yeah, Gus is in Saudi. Yeah, we can meet up. Maybe we can. All right. I'll get you. I'll remind you guys. So that was it for today. For this stream. If we do something really crazy, I'll start another live stream. So stick around the channel. I will definitely be uploading a couple of videos today. There's so much going on. I need to update you guys on everything. Holy smokes. So yeah. See you pretty soon, guys. See you pretty freaking soon. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget that.